okay, I'm live now too. Oh,
Yeah.
where did my little avatar guy?
What?
Forgot my little guy.
Oh, you little dude.
My little dude.
Oh yeah, okay. I have a couple of things that I wanted to show off to you.
Okay, so then.
That will be some changes you'll need to close and reopen your project.
Oh, like just now?
Yeah.
Oh,
Or well,
okay.
like a minute ago. Oh wait, I haven't pushed yet. Oops, sorry. It was supposed to be like a minute or two ago, but
I've
just
right
right now.
Godot.
Yeah, close Godot. Also share your screen
Yeah.
and join the stream together if you haven't.
Yeah. Now why would I do that? Oh, I ping my server.
True. Okay. So the first thing I wanted to bring up to you is that the particles and sound stuff are no longer inside of the rainy rooms.
Oh, okay.
It's just in this thing called rainy ambient particles. There's also flesh ambient particles, and these are just assigned on a per floor basis.
Okay, I'll do.
They don't currently have the ability to be overwritten, but
okay. I see. So you're saying? Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. So now the rainy ambient particles and flesh ambient particles are two separate scenes that are handled on the
Do they follow the
per floor
player
basis. Yes, they are no longer part of the player.
Okay.
But yes, they follow the player. So they are these ambient particles, and all they do is they just follow the player, and that's it.
Okay. Pretty tough.
So yeah, if I go ahead and open this up, I also made it so that whenever I open this up, so I've just hit like F6 to run the scene, and it is like it automatically determines what floor we're supposed to be on based on the level that you've, like the room you've loaded into. Should only be a debug thing, but like, this thing. I also moved the scene. This is the main one that you're gonna have to worry about. It's no longer just in rooms; it's under rain.
I see.
Because it's a rainy room.
I don't think I should.
So, yeah.
Maybe I did. I don't know. It's probably fine.
It should be mostly like fine if you did. I think you'd be able to just like move it over. And then yeah, I think that's it. I did want. Oh, actually, I haven't shown people this, but I'll show people this. This song is too slow right now. I need something a little bit more. Yeah. So for certain weapons, like the laser pointer, we were playing around with this. So aiming it will have a little bit of aim assist now, which mainly affects controller, but does also affect mouse a little bit. Probably have the ability to turn that off because I'm sure it could be annoying. I'm sure I would hate it. But if I do this, you'll see that it'll kind of snap onto it a little bit. It's mainly for if you're very far away, which you can't even hit this, but it's only if you can see something, it'll kind of like pull your aim towards it a little bit. Oh, what's up, JW?
I'm looking.
What the hell happened? What the hell is that?
I don't know. I think we want this one.
Okay.
Wait,
And then let's see, is there anything else that I did that I didn't write down?
Why is this still weird? Oh, what? Why is it still? Hello? Why is it still angry at me? There another one.
You've merges way down below.
Oh, they're below. Oh, I see.
Sick.
What? Wait, what?
You chose incoming, which is it's fine. Don't worry about it. I can just overwrite it.
Isn't that what yours is?
No.
Oh.
Because
Oh,
yours
I
has
think
the
I did it
navigation
wrong.
as an exported thing, but mine is not. Because
Okay.
because you were just like having the exported thing, but I'm just grabbing it off the room now. Because having to assign the export, this no longer belongs to the room.
Okay. Should I undo that?
Yeah, it's fine. It'll either crash whenever you get into Godot, or it might not. Who knows? I guess we'll find out.
Alright, I can just undo it and then change this. So I want current change.
Yeah.
I think I did that wrong for the other one too then.
Yeah, can you just Control Z that?
I can't undo the other one because I closed it. It's probably
It's fine. Don't worry about it. We'll figure it out. Just accept it. And...
I'm sure that's fine.
Oh yeah, and I wanted to make.
Actually, I guess I could just delete these changes and then restore the stash changes and then redo it.
Just don't worry about it. We'll figure out what broke or not.
Okay, I'm worried about it.
Why is this breaking? Start fire.
I need to figure out how to change my guitar strings after stream because I went to practice guitar this morning and one of my strings was just broken. So
Damn,
like,
you've never
yeah.
changed a guitar string?
I have. It's for a classical guitar, which I think I did once like a long time ago, but like I don't remember. And it's weird. It's like different. Oh yeah, it's broken. I'm just gonna do what I said and just kill these changes.
I wonder why that.
Why that what?
That damages for one frame. I actually don't know why.
So I want current change. I feel like current change, it makes more sense for like current change to be whatever, I don't know.
Yeah, so what's actually happening whenever you pulled those changes are... Well, are you unstashing changes?
Yes.
Yeah, so what it is...
Oh, I see. So the current
repository,
is,
and then you're
that makes
stashing.
sense. Oh, yeah.
Or unstashing, yeah.
That
You're
does
applying
make
old
sense.
or new changes.
I'm just a little dumb sometimes.
So where all is this being called? Shoot laser. One singular place. Sick. Terrific. Beautiful. Yeah, that's the same place. That's so weird. I'm so confused on why that's happening
There
for
we go.
one frame, because that's like not even... I wonder... Okay, so that is checking it's the red area. Red area is the... that is... Sky, I think? Right? Make your polygon red? Maybe not. Do you make your polygon red? Who makes their polygon red? The fuck? Where the fuck is this red coming from? Oh, yeah. Is it because this is a hitbox? No. Is this a hitbox? No. What the hell?
Oh wait, why do I have infinite charges? I didn't turn on infinite charges.
You go into the Shift R and then. Is it other weapons? Is it just off?
Maybe. Yeah, weird.
Can you take
wait.
a look at the card resource?
Yeah. It's 8 charges.
Oh, change the charge type from manual to automatic.
Oh. Okay, I didn't know what that was. I was thinking that was like the activate mode, like.
No, that is
Yeah.
if the card should
didn't
automatically
figure that out.
drain charges.
I see.
Yeah. But certain ones don't automatically drain cards when they're drain charges when they're used.
You probably only have what, like 6 shots. How many shots does the off and counter strike have?
That's crazy. You don't know the number for that.
I literally know. It's 5. Okay.
It's 5. It used to be 10.
You have to be
It used to be 10. It used to be 10 way back in the day.
10? What do you
Mhm.
mean 10?
Used to be 10.
That's insane. You wanna play Counter Strike? Sorry.
No. Why is this?
We were actually having a lot of fun playing Counter Strike last night.
I don't
I'll let you know.
understand. That's great, dude. I'm happy for you. I really am.
I wanna open the case. Sorry.
Wait, why doesn't this do a raycast check? Am I like, what? Huh?
I don't know. Why doesn't it?
Wait, what?
Okay. So what am I
That was
doing
the
today?
case. If that's the case, I thought that this. Oh, it does. Oh. If it happens on like a weird physics tick or something.
Oh wait. Physics frame is the solution.
It's not.
It's always the solution.
It's not. It's fine. I've got like an actual solution that isn't that. Just to get the space state from the world and do a shape cast.
Okay, so I want to figure out what cards we're doing this. Because we do not have a whole lot of time before we want to have a lot of things done. Because Christmas happened and I didn't work a lot. That's okay. So obviously we have the op. Let's see, what weapons do we have? I think maybe we do just like another basic gun or something, just because I'm lazy, but...
Oh, I remember the issue with this. I made this a collision polygon shape as well, right? Yeah. Well, actually, you two do basically the exact same thing, right? Maybe I bring this down to a separate class because it seems very similar. Where it's at. This is skin handler, but I need this to be a little bit more common.
Just trying to say hello. I was already going to bed, so hope you have a nice stream. Good night. Have a nice sleep, twin.
Have a good luck.
Like, good luck.
I kind of sleep sometimes. Where would this go? I guess it would probably not Misk. Probably just components. Fuck it, you're going in there. Yeah, fuck it. So this will have a function that is basically all of this code that does this thing. Yeah.
I don't want to be lazy, just make like a basic rifle since you don't really have one.
The hell? Dante's 9 the game with 18 guns.
Yeah.
Zer. But this needs a shape, which will be. If I pass this in, I pass this in. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying. I know exactly what you're saying. Twin.
So this will be using a shape in this instead. You need a new condition. Shape 2D. And polygon dot shape is equal to shape. This is a I don't know if that'll work. I guess we'll find out. Fuck it. We hit the go button and find out if it crashes. That's how we do live development.
True.
Looks like that works better to me. So maybe that's fine. Yeah, that's fine to me. Okay, sick. So you were asking about something yesterday. You wanted the op stuff. You haven't pushed that up, have you?
No, I can though if you want.
Okay. If you feel like it, yeah.
Yeah,
The time.
literally 2 seconds.
Okay. So what do we need for the op stuff? We want the ability to just deal damage and then have like the shoo thing that like shows up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I think that's fine.
Really, the
I
main
think
thing is just making sure that it works with stickers and stuff.
Yeah. Because currently it doesn't. Currently no hit skin stuff does.
What are you doing?
Small hits. No, just hit. Does this need to know just the position, or does it also need to know the thing that it hit? I guess it would just need to know the thing. Well, no, it wouldn't need to know the position. Or I'm just gonna give it the position. Fuck it, I'll figure it out later.
And do
I need
you
something else. Not updated.
want to have this be part of the base gun, or that be separate? Because I was thinking it
See,
could
I
be
was
nice to be
thinking
able to
about that
just
as
make the
well.
base gun and be like, I want this to be a projectile weapon, or I want this to be a hit scan weapon. Then you just put in the information.
Yeah, I was also thinking about that a little bit. I was like, we could make it one of the things that we can change through the card, like with the exported properties. Also, hello, Lep official. How you doing?
Oh, I was thinking it would just be on the scene, like the card
Yeah, maybe we
base.
Card base?
Yeah.
Not card base. Card base?
Or sorry, gun base, whatever it's called, base gun
Oh, okay.
ability. I don't know what
Yeah.
you call that.
So I want this to util document itself. Self to owner to custom class of scan handler. And then the tracer. Oh, oops, wrong one. Sorry, that's supposed to be here. So we already have a ready function, so whatever. So from here, inside of the tracer handler, I would like to grab the hit scan component. Hit scan is util get component from owner. Type hit scan handler as hit scan handler, and then I can say if hit scan hit connect to on hit. Why do you have a direction? Why Why do you have a direction, actually? I don't know why this has a direction. This makes no fucking sense.
I don't know
Oh,
why it has a
this does
direction.
make sense. I understand. Yeah, that makes some sense. What am I working on? I'm working on adding support for the op that JW added. He wanted to have a he wanted it to be hit scan, and it's been a minute since we've had a hit scan weapon in the game, so I'm cleaning that up just a little bit using some of the new systems that we have.
A little bit.
On hits. So I'm thinking that this would work both as a if this hits the wall or if it hits an enemy. Do we want it to be... Do you remember the old gun stuff, JW? How we would shoot the pistol?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want it to be infinite range? Do you want it to always spawn particle? Like, what do you want the
Yeah,
behavior
it
to
should
be?
have
Or do you want
infinite range.
infinite range? Okay.
If it's gonna be
If
hit scan, yes, it should have infinite range.
Okay, so it will always hit particles, or like particles will always spawn at the end of it then?
Yeah, most likely. Yeah.
Okay.
Probably.
Also, hello, Benny VV. Merry holidays. Would you two be up for playtesting my game? It's got the stamp of approval from Joscovino and Hypnotic. Want feedback on the art direction of it? Maybe, mayhaps. Do you have it on like Steam or Itch or something? And if so, do you have like the... I hope it's a web build. I don't really want to download people like things. Steam's is a little different because Valve does crazy vetting of games, by the way. Also, how does util add self work? Util add self is some custom code that I wrote to make certain component stuff. So we're using something kind of similar to how Unity does like get component and set component, which is like a little gross, but we're doing it in a way that's, I feel, kind of fine, which is just like it takes in the object you want to add the component to, and the actual component, and whatever class you want it to be registered as. And it does a couple of things. So it will get the actual class name. So if, for example, we pass in like hitscan handler, this would like translate directly to hitscan handler. So it will get that component name and it will add it as the meta component. So one of the things that we can do is with our health components, we can register it as a component here. This should be passing a health component. I don't know why it's not. But we can pass it in as a health component, which means that anywhere owner health components, I'm assuming is something that we're doing. Yeah, so anywhere we want to grab the health component, we can do that as so. Which just looks to see if the target has this component on it. Which is a metadata is a thing that everything in Godot has built into it. It's something that I would try not to overuse, like just metadata, unless you have, like if you're doing like actual strings here, metadata can get really, really messy because you're kind of just like tacking properties on, like down here, you're just being like, you know, whatever, here's my property, you know, and things like that. But because we're using like rigid class names as references, it allows us to kind of take away some of the unsafety of it. But we're also doing like null checks. I guess like not here we are, but this one's weird. This should definitely be doing a null check, or at least some sort of error handling. But in a lot of places we'll be doing null checks. Maybe not for health, I guess. I thought that we were. Like, I think hitbox does a null check for that. Oh yeah, so right here, we grab this, and if it doesn't actually have a health component, we have a null check here for if it doesn't exist, because it's not guaranteed to have a health component. Just kind of like automatically registering like things to the parent and then grabbing things from the parent so that we can have different logic. It's like this one will be a thing that spawns like tracer particles, and all it needs to know is that there's something that's hitting, and if we ever wanted to change what happened whenever you shot and did hit scan stuff, we could just like remove this component or add a new component. So I think offset's annoying. I think I can kind of just get away with using this exact function. I'm actually just gonna copy it for now and then change a couple of things. So for now, let's hide this. And then also, instead of direction being defined up there, direction will be global position, direction to hit position. And also I'm assuming we're not going to have any hit scans that won't be hitting something, right?
Not that I can think of.
Okay.
I don't see why.
Okay. That. Oh, I guess it doesn't even need direction. Direction was direction was a backup, and that's fine. That might just work. That'd be kind of sick if it did. Because obviously I need to tell this to emit. Here, I would do hit emit this whole position, and then I hope that this actually hits the furthest hitbox this time. I remember that was an issue the first time that we did hit scan. So I'm stupid and dumb. Ooh. Oh, I guess that's true. Oh, you know what this is doing, I bet? It's not. I lied. What? Who's handling this? Is it this one? Wait, what? Who? Ah!
Huh?
What am I doing? Oh, this thing is handling this. I see. I should not be doing that.
Yeah.
Well, I guess it kind of needs to, right? If it pause is vector 2, if there is a furthest hitbox, we will emit. Or we're not going to emit that. We're going to say hit pause equal to that. And then let's emit here. Except in the case of this being not a hit. So how's this handling this? Sorry, I'm like forgetting how this works. It can handle max range. It's hit pause distance 2. Okay, word. So I should just be able to take the global position of this and add the aim direction. Action.
Oh, I see you moved the new card stuff.
Yeah, I moved shit around because it was
Or, yeah.
making me angry.
The op is still in the new abilities. You can move it if you want to move it up, but
Okay.
because that's just where I
mean,
put it, because I had made it before you made that change.
I mean, you can just move it over to that folder as well. I think that would be. I don't think it would break anything
Yeah,
unless you're like reloading it anywhere. But yeah, I also did a thing.
It just crashed. The entire thing crashed. It's over.
Oh no. Oh, the game's over. Okay, that's fine.
No
I'm
more
okay with that.
Dante 9.
No more Dante 9. That's fine. That's like kind of good if you think about it. What was I saying? Oh my god. There was something I was gonna say that I just completely forgot.
Card, guns.
You said something about guns. Guns. I don't know. It was something about project structure, I think. But who knows?
Project Zomboid.
Yeah, it was about Project Zomboid. Oh, wow, that actually just still works. That's really funny.
What did...
That's kind of fire. Where are we showing this? Oh wow, that is fire. That still just works. That's fun. I'm glad that it does. You said you pushed up the op. Okay. And yeah, I can VS Code and pull that, and hopefully nothing changed to the point where the project breaks. Ah, fuck, the project broke.
No,
Did you push up the change that you just made to the op right now?
No.
Okay, that's okay. I can figure out the... What did you call it? Oh, op equipment. Duh. Oh, that's really fucking funny. What if this just works? That's actually so funny, and it would be so hilarious if this just worked.
Would it?
It would be unbelievably funny. What is this? Why does this play a sound? Don't we have a screen shake thing in here? Oh, I guess we don't. That's weird. But I guess that makes sense. Oh no, this needs a... Hold on.
But just a sound warning for anybody watching my stream. I'm gonna try to find a sound for this gun.
Oh, good luck, everybody.
Good luck.
He's gonna be going through his free sound archives.
I have.
Oh, that's
I
fun.
have one somewhere here. Does it work?
Almost. There's some weird shit going on there.
Let's see.
The op is very, it sounds like a laser.
Yeah, the sound
sounds like a pack-a-punch gun a lot.
Yeah.
I don't know. One of those tracer things is not supposed to be happening, and I think it's... I mean, I know which one it is, but I don't know why it is. I think it's this one. Nope, I lied. Why doesn't that...
Is this good? Oh, yes, that's quite nice, actually. Might have to edit it a little bit, but that's probably good. I'll edit it later, though. I don't want to make you all deal with that. But yeah, I just like looked up sniper in my giant audio thing, and that was the first thing that came up. So I was like, should I use a sniper now? I'll make a nicer one later.
Why is this?
By the way, how are we doing projectiles? Cause
I don't know.
Okay. There's
I don't know.
projectile
Well,
scene, there's projectile info, and then there's the shot speed
Yeah.
property, and I don't think the projectile info velocity does anything anymore.
I don't think so, because I think you said you hated that, the projectile info stuff, so we swapped to using the scene.
I don't remember at all, so I don't know what the best way to do it.
I mean, which one do you want it to be? Which one do you want it to be?
Ooh,
Like, what do you want
I think
the thing to be? Because we can have it be tied to the scene. We can have it be so that, like, there's a generic like
'cause
gun,
I like the
bullet,
scene,
projectile,
so that way
and then
if the projectile does like weird things, it can all just be handled by itself. But I also like being able to just type in a number for a basic projectile and be like, okay, this is this projectile with this sprite, and it goes at this speed, and like I'm done.
you like being able to type in a number. What the fuck do you mean?
Like if I just want a gun that just shoots a normal projectile at like a specific speed, I don't have to like go make a new scene and then like fill it out and stuff like that. I can just put the number in.
Yeah. So what we could do? Well, actually, I think what it does right now is kind of like that.
Yeah, I
where
guess
we
it could
have
just
the
have like
generic scene.
Yeah, we could have like a base projectile, and that would take in like a random or like a texture and a speed or something like that.
Well, if you take a look at the, or you have the AK ability working at all right now?
It theoretically works. I just need to put it in a card.
Okay.
I can let you there.
Yeah, because the way it works right now, at least from what I think was being tested, was the exported property. You can change the shot speed through that, and it should just do that. Ain't no way you made a card that started with A and started searching and by the M first. Focus M.
Wait, what?
Like I saw you make a card underscore AK, and then you started by searching halfway down the list, as if it wasn't going to be like the first card in the list.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention at all. What's the description? Gun.
Sick.
Yeah, I know.
Sneaky beaky like.
We already have that one.
Do it again.
We can't do
What's the
all
fucking-
Counter-Strike quotes.
What's the opposite thing where he's like, are we bubba or are we going sneaky beaky like? What's the thing that he says before that?
I don't remember. I should know this.
Why?
I played this game last
Why
night.
is that? I don't understand why this
I don't
hit scan is
remember.
going off so short. What the fuck? Hit scan handler. Oh, I set the range to be different. Ah, I see. Your range should be like way up here.
No, I didn't want to click on AI mode on Google. Go
What? Why
away.
not?
As I said so.
Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong. I'm just taking the max range stupidly instead of doing this. Is it just position?
Here, I'll just do the angle variance and shot speed. Here, I'll make it a little higher, 2400. Well, it works.
What?
It works. It looks really
Yay.
goofy because I forgot to adjust the animation. So it looks like this. And the sound
It just
is
happens to
really
be
bad,
firing
too.
at the same time, it looks like.
That's the SMG. Yeah, but once I make it a little bit.
Yeah, it's usually like quite a bit slower than whatever associated SMG there is.
Yeah. I just made it the same fire rate as the Counter-Strike one. That's real fast.
Oh, hey, that just works. Sick. Check this out. Are we getting rid of those tracer particles? I don't remember if you hated those or not.
Which ones? At the end there?
Yeah.
They don't actually look terrible, but something... We do want to have something there.
Okay. Yeah.
Also, we probably want to
extend
make it that it
particles.
spawns from the barrel, but the
Yeah.
actual raycast is from the thing. We also need to figure that out for the how we want to handle that with the projectile weapons too.
Yeah.
Because if I was
LOL.
discovered that when I made the op projectile weapon, because it's so long, the bullet takes long enough to reach the barrel that like there's a delay between when it visibly leaves the gun and when you actually shoot it, which makes your brain not work.
Hmm.
So
Well, the projectiles spawn. Do the projectiles spawn from the
they spawn from
player
the player.
and still,
and
can you put it in slow mo?
they're still visible.
I'm pretty sure.
I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure.
they are visible. Yeah.
Yeah, which is just something we need to fix. That's easy to fix.
Ideally, hopefully, we'll find out.
We'll see. You can see it.
Yeah.
But what I think would make the most sense is to have it go from the player to the barrel like super fast, invisible, and
Yeah.
then once it passes the barrel, it goes to its normal speed, and then goes
Yeah, I
up.
can do that. Let me get this. Is there anything else about this that needs to be changed? I mean, the tracer needs to spawn from the barrel,
Yeah.
actually.
And I mean, I can probably make it look a little nicer, assuming it's pretty easy to change.
But what are you trying to change?
I don't know exactly what I want to change. Like I might adjust the tracer a little bit. Just maybe make it a little bigger. I don't know. I think also it should have piercing by default. I don't know if that's already a thing or not. Why not make the bullet start at the barrel? Because then if you clip your gun through a wall, you can shoot through the wall. And then also if there's an enemy sitting like directly on top of you, if your barrel is past the enemy, then you won't hit the enemy. And although logically that makes sense, it feels really, really bad if you're actually like the one playing. Also, I might be really dumb. I didn't realize that when you duplicate a scene with an animation player in it, it automatically makes the animation player unique. I don't know why I thought it didn't.
Does it?
I'm pretty sure. Because I duplicated the pistol scene to make the op, and the op has different animation here.
Oh, I see. Maybe it's
pistol.
Yeah, maybe it's if you duplicate it versus if you
I think
paste.
if you copy paste the animation player directly, I believe it does. It is not unique. But
yeah, that makes enough sense. Also, this doesn't put source for some reason. Source? Made it the fuck up.
Source?
Why don't you have a source, actually?
What if you made Dante 9 in Source Engine?
Whoa, that'd be... Wow. Dude, that's... No.
This guy hates fun.
Mm-hmm. This is true. Where the fuck are we assigning source? Oh, project called a source. Oh. Just say attack that source is equal to source. Okay, dude. You have a source now, sick. My favorite video content creators have a lot of knowledge. You always wanted to ask how I got it. Would I recommend any resources for beginners? So
I wonder what he's going to say.
I went to college for it, first off. That's like where I learned the breadth of like my programming knowledge, was just in like an actual formal education. However, you don't need to.
I didn't go to college.
In fact, there's like, yeah, there's a fuck ton of resources. Don't listen to him. Don't take him as inspiration. If you saw some of the code that you wrote, you would be like, fuck, I guess I gotta go to college. I would recommend mainly just experimentation, which is like the difficult answer is just fuck around with things. You'll learn a lot by picking apart things that other people have done, or like taking a ready-made game, or at least for me, taking someone's project that they've already set up for you and then just tweaking things until you figure out what causes what change. There are also like direct resources if you're someone who really likes like direct learning. Harvard's computer science course is not free and open source. What is the fucking word? Public? Like free for the public. There's also like just step-by-step tutorials. You can also, there's a bunch of books that are also free to read. Like for example, this sick book called Game Programming Patterns. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a light mode warning because there are some people that are insane and use light mode. So there's the fair warning. I'm gonna make this window smaller so I can not flashbang everyone immediately. This website, gameprogrammingpatterns.com. There's this book that goes about a lot of them. You can buy it, or if you scroll all the way down, there's this one for web. You can just click on this, and this is just the entire book, like anywhere inside of it. If you want some more of like the theory-wise things, like there are certain things that I have learned from this that I kind of made a couple of like, videos on. Like there's state stuff, but this is more about I don't believe that this has specific classes for states. I don't remember. I guess they do. Yeah. Yeah. So this does actually push things down to the state below. But it is just a lot of like looking at what other people have done. unfortunately. Like, oh, I just swapped my scene over. Or did I? I don't know what the fuck I
Got that
did.
of a genius
Oh, I
idea.
hit D. Okay. Like the card system that we have, is like very weird, because most of the system is based on what I learned during Minecraft modding, or at least like one major part of it, which is like how we store cards and how there's like instances of cards versus the resource of cards.
PD, do you like my
What
gun?
are you doing, GW? What are you doing? I looked over. Why is that AK shooting in every direction except for the one you're aiming?
It's funny.
What in the fucking Rust AK is that? He doesn't get this reference. He never played Rust.
Yeah, that's true.
What was I? Oh yeah, I need to make the.
Wait, we need to add a sticker that decreases your accuracy, but like increases your damage.
Yeah.
So you could have a gun that's like extremely inaccurate, but does a ridiculous amount of damage. Well, that's one of the stickers we're adding.
Okay.
Is there an option for accuracy for like the op?
Huh?
Can you adjust the accuracy on the hit scan weapons?
You cannot currently. Do you want to?
Yes.
Yeah. You can add that.
Because like, what if I was thinking maybe like a laser beam weapon that like shoots really fast, but like it's kind of like, scattered.
Like a.
Yeah.
Like a Gatling laser that like starts off like really inaccurate, and as you go on, it like
yeah
focuses in.
Something like that. Is there an
Yeah,
easy way to change how the tracer looks? By the way, like if I want to be like.
How much? What are you? What's you're gonna have to narrow that down? Like which part? Is it a shader kind of?
Okay.
What do you want it to be? What do you want it to be?
I think it's probably better just to make it like not pixel perfect, because like the laser pointer isn't pixel perfect. It's like I don't think it needs to be, unless you really want it to be. Like
I do like the way it looks personally, but we can change it. Like,
yeah,
there's
I
nothing
like the
wrong
way
with
it
that.
looks. It like just doesn't really fit the rest, I feel like, because like if you look at the gun isn't pixel perfect. Like you're holding it up
Yeah.
at an angle, and then the tracer is pixel perfect, which I think is a little weird. And I think that would just make it simpler for somebody like me to edit. Because, yeah.
Yeah, I mean that can be changed. I mean,
Yeah, I don't know if you'd want to
use
use a line 2D, or you could even do the thing that I did, where you just do a sprite. And
yeah,
you
that's
just...
literally what it is right now. It's a sprite.
Okay.
Like I believe you could technically make this a different texture. Oh, that's not going to work. Oh, because is this rendering as a gradient? What? Oh, this right here. I see. They'll never know. They'll never know. They
But I
will
also,
never know.
Want to be able to change like the size and things like that, because I'm trying to think, would we want, I mean, I think we would want the size sticker to work on this, right? I don't see why not. It would just make
Maybe,
it
I
really
don't
big
fucking
and
know.
wide. I mean, yeah, I can even mess around with it. I'll figure it out. I need to actually try to like figure out how to do things rather than just like biddy please.
Well, I mean, a lot of things are also like I'm coding systems, and they didn't have this implementation possible. So hello, Bond. Also, that's some useful info. Thanks. You actually coded a lot in Java. You're having trouble adjusting to Go, and especially GD script. It's that you have the idea or the mindset you can't execute your ideas properly. Yeah, I mean, if you want, like, I understand the idea of like, oh, you're using Godot, you should be in the GD script ecosystem. But if you want to, like, you can use C#. C# is like fully parity with Godot. The only difference is you can't do web builds in the mono version of Godot. But if you want to use C#, it is supported as a first-class language option. and you are able to. I know a lot of people do. Like, there's a few people on my server that will hang out often, and they use C# as their main language. So it's definitely like an option for you if you just want to like ease into Go. That way, you're not learning a language and learning the engine. You're just learning the engine with the language that, or like Java and C# are like basically the same. So with the language that you already know.
I do love how easy it is to add new guns, though.
Yeah, I'm a big fan. There's a couple things that need to be ironed out just a little bit, but it is.
Yeah.
I am really, really proud of how it's adapted a little bit from the initial ideas that you had.
Yeah.
There we go. So now this fires from the barrel.
wonderful ideas.
Oh, this is going to be an issue, actually. Okay, new question, JW, that I need your input on. Let's say that I'm standing right here. We obviously want Tracer to spawn from... Like, what do we want it to do if it's like that, where like the guy being hit is behind
That's
the barrel of the
perfectly
gun?
fine.
That's fine.
I would say just don't shoot the Tracer.
Okay.
That's what I would say. Is to have the particles, but no Tracer.
I think that's fine. I think I can do that, actually. Because I think what I can do is I can...
No, it's a heavy spread spell, but as a sticker. I don't know what that is.
You can use, like, some context clues, I would imagine. Maybe not.
Heavy spread.
Maybe not.
No, I'm dumb. Oh, as a sticker. I was thinking card. I'm like stupid. I can't read. Is that just what I was talking about earlier?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay.
I think notice heavy spread might be multiple shots.
I just wasn't paying attention. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I think notice might be multiple shots with a bunch of spread on them. Although I'm not 100% sure. Notice spell system is fucking insane, by the way.
I should play some
Is Op gonna be in demo? Demo is in like the playtest that's currently out. I might.
Maybe.
So I know I asked you about this the other day, JW. I might push up a single update for the demo before calling it like.
Yeah, I think adding like a couple more cards could be fine. Like I don't have an issue with that. If you want like more.
Well, that also like yeah, the a couple of things I want to fix also are like just like the crashes that are happening.
Yeah. Like the drop down menu. Did you ever figure that out?
Yeah, I fixed it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's been fixed since like the day after that.
Oh, okay.
the last update dropped. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
I guess syntax is often the problem. Sometimes you also mean that specific concepts. You've been learning about signals for a few months now, and they're still kind of a mystery to me. The signals are like... Ooh, let me think of a way to explain this. Yeah, signals are events. It's basically like... Normally, when you would... I'm going to use Java. So normally you would have like a reference to an object, like what we have here, where we have like a reference to a node that is called tracer start. And if we wanted to call a function on that, we could do tracer start dot like q3 or something like that. So what this does is it's very direct. So you need a reference to the actual node. And you are also deciding what function is being called on that node. This is really handy for parent-to-child communication, where it's like the parent decides the behavior and tells the child what to do. However, there are a lot of situations where that wouldn't be super applicable. So, for example, if I take a look at our health component, there's going to be a lot of shit in here that is ugly. Don't worry about most of it. But we just have this signal here, which is called health changed. Normal people probably would have called this like hit, attack, damaged, something like that. JW decided that that was not the move. I guess we also have attack received. So we're doing attack received dot emit. And the reason we're doing this is because there are any number of things that could be listening to our health component. So rather than having like, I guess if you wanted the Java way of doing things, because I don't know if Java has events in like this specific way, or at least I haven't used any work. But you would have like, you know, an array of like attack objects that would care about this. And then you would loop through and you would say for object in attack objects. And we're just going to use duck typing because, you know, whatever.
Yeah, I really something funny to show you.
Hold on.
Oop. No, I messed it up. Never mind. I clicked on it. There was like, I did the slot machine and I got a card and it just had two Jupiters on top of it, both just slapped on the top of the card, so I couldn't see what the card was at all. It was just
funny.
covering up the entire thing. Oh, there we go.
So in like the Java world, it would look something like this, kind of. So you would just have a list of objects that need to be told that they are being like attacked. So, you know, in your typical coding sense, you would have the main object, you know, this is our health, and then it would have like a list of like, you know, object 1, object 2, object 3, and then it would go through and it would call the methods on each individual one. Whereas events kind of flip this around, where we have this health component and we have our different objects, but instead of the health component needing to know about all of these, instead, these can choose to know about the health component. And what that allows us to do is, if we were to kill one of these, this is fine. Nothing needs to change because the health component doesn't need to know that this was updated. Whereas if it was the health component knows about object 1, object 2, and object 3, then when object 3 gets freed, we have to make sure to go into this list and, you know, remove object 3, because otherwise when we call the function, we're going to get a null pointer error. So it's basically just something happened, so we're going to emit an update that says, hey, this thing happened. If there's nothing listening to it, that's fine. If there's 5,000 things listening to it, that's also fine. It's like agnostic to whatever's listening to it, which is very, very handy. And it also, one thing I will also say about events, because I've also been in the JavaScript world, unfortunately, events run inline. So like,
cheap viewers.
Sorry, there's someone, cheap viewers, get the fuck out of here. So in like the JavaScript world, events are called like deferred, basically, which means that they are called at the end of the event stack. So if you do like a set timeout or set interval or whatever, in Godot, events are run inline. So if there were 5,000 objects attached to this attack received signal, all of those objects functions would be called before we execute the next line of code in this function. So it is effectively the same as this. There is no deferred calling. There is no concurrency. It's, you have 5 objects that are listening to this. Object 1's function is called, object 2's function is called, and so on. And then whenever that's done, we can continue execution in the next like lines. You can do call deferred, yes. You can also do emit deferred, I believe. Or no, not emit deferred. No, you can do emit deferred, right? I know you can do emit.call deferred.
Okay, Biddy, I'm using your new card
That?
or sticker picker thing, I think, for the first time. What I'm thinking is one thing to make it more clear is have them either like pop out of the capsule or just like have the stickers pop up first, like, and make them larger, and then they move over to the side. I think the most confusing thing is that they all just kind of show up at the same time, so it's like, wait, where, what am I supposed to be clicking on?
Yeah.
But if, like, the stickers popped up first, so it was like, oh, here's the stickers, and then they move off to the side, and then the card pops up. And then also some, like, text up here that says, like, pick one or something like that.
Yeah, I don't know.
So that way it's not like you get all
pick a
three
sticker
of these.
text went, but it used to be there.
Okay. Yeah.
Excuse me. What if we should make it say pick one of three? Yeah, we can do call deferred on signals, by the way, but typically if you're just doing an emit, this is run in line. That was actually something that confused me, and sometimes still, like, I will just forget because so many other languages and events are like concurrent or later.
Ooh, op with bounce and pierce. It's crazy.
I don't know how to tell you this. That's not. Oh, you're not using hit scan. Never mind.
Yeah, I know.
That will work.
But also, we probably should make that work with hit scan. I'm sorry.
Yes. No, it's okay.
That actually wouldn't be hard at all.
Written it.
Literally, all you'd have to do is just be like, when you hit a wall, spawn another projectile. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how you have it.
It wouldn't be hard at all, he says, not knowing how hard it would or wouldn't be. He has no clue.
In my mind,
he has no clue.
Easy.
He just goes. He goes. Oh, it wouldn't be hard at all. You haven't worked with this code ever.
Yeah,
how
exactly.
Do you know?
It's your problem.
You don't know how hard it is. The answer is it isn't really that hard, but still, like, you don't know that it's not hard.
Well, I don't mean with your code specifically, but I'm just thinking if I had a hit scan weapon, and
if I had
wanted
a hit scan,
it
if you
bounce.
had a perfectly working hit scan weapon to call it, you would just call it multiple times. Yeah, that's great, dude. I'm just fucking around just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
How
would you...
What am I doing?
Oh, I'm curious.
What?
Also, you should be able to see the tooltip and rotate the card like it's any other card in here. Although, maybe, I'm not sure. Because since there's the placement where it like doesn't rotate here, be able to do that. I don't know.
Yeah, it gives the rotation back after you place the card, or after you place the sticker, but yeah. Bro's like, this is the easiest thing in the world, now do it, build it, you noob. Yeah, pretty much. What's the most recent code you wrote? Audio loop manager? Audio loop?
Don't look at that, please. Please don't look at it. Also, that's not. That's not. I wrote the op manager.
What is this?
So I really like
literally the exact same here.
I really like the new indicator on the boss.
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. I was also like fucking with it, but I was like, I don't know if he's gonna like it. I do really like it.
Yeah,
though,
it maybe needs like, I don't know. I think the boss just needs.
You know the craziest thing? I didn't really change much about the current like implementation of the attack indicator for that. Oh, he ran into the thing. He didn't hold down. He didn't hold down.
Oh,
tragic. Yeah, ass level design. Disgusting.
Yeah.
Alright, so what was I doing? I was fixing something and I don't remember what it was. It was something to do with the hit scan guy.
The boss sounds are so good.
What's wrong with this? Tell me what's wrong with this.
Let's see.
What's wrong with this?
It's pixel perfect.
Okay, that's great. What else is... Oh, that didn't do damage. Why didn't that do damage? What the fuck?
Well, fix that, obviously.
Why are we not doing damage? What the hell? What the hell-y? What? What happened? What did I change? What?
Well, I'm going to try to figure out what everything else we're making is for this cycle, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. So cards.
Yeah.
We need 2 summon cards. So one is going to be a mounted turret of some kind.
Is it because I changed something in the health component? Wrong place. Oopsies. Oh no, this is the right place, yes. Yeah. Okay, it was. I did something whenever I was showing off that I forgot to remove all I could have.
It's awkward.
Oopsies. Sorry. Yes, now that works. Okay, so what's wrong with this? What needs to be changed?
Honestly, not much, or not really anything specifically that I can think of. How does it look when you're like running around with it? Like if you're jumping around and shooting? Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, it's the same as the old pistol that we
Yeah.
used. Dude, even with aim assist, I'm still missing some of these fucking shots. Look at that tracking, dude. Ignore how shaky my hands are. Ah, fuck. Then yeah, it has the thing where this doesn't.
It
Sometimes. This is fine.
Yeah, fix that. There you go.
No, what do you want it to be?
I wanted to not have the tracer. If the
Oh yeah, okay,
if
thank
the
you. There it is.
enemy
Yeah, that's the thing I need to
okay.
do. I got it. I got
Enemy
it.
is
Don't worry about it. Don't
closer
even
than
like
the
say anything
barrel.
else. Don't say anything else.
If
Do
the
not say
enemy
anything
is
else. Just stop
closer
speaking. Stop
to the player than the barrel, then don't do the tracer.
My dude isn't. Wait, what?
Sorry.
Sorry, no. This is actually so confusing. I'm gonna pull up VitoTube really quick. I'm gonna put this on my main monitor. So here's my dude, right? So as I'm speaking,
Yeah.
you can still hear me. If I mute JW,
What? I can't hear you. Are you talking?
what?
What?
Something's wrong. How does that work?
What did you do? I'm confused.
Me too. Don't worry. Hold on. Something is wrong. Something is very wrong somewhere on my computer, and I need to fix it soon. So I pressed the. You didn't hear anything I said?
Nope.
So I have a button on my GoXLR that lets me mute specifically Discord. So I press that, but it mutes me as well somehow.
That's really funny.
But it doesn't, like, I can still hear myself on my mic, and it still shows my thing on like the sliders. It just doesn't. That's so weird. It only muted me and not JW. What the fuck?
That's
really so
funny.
weird. Oh, where did my YouTube chat go? Where did my YouTube chat go? I can't see my YouTube chat now. Stream elements. No, stream elements, please. I want to see my YouTube chat. Once a broadcast has been created, dude, I'm literally broadcasting right now. Did I accidentally end my broadcast on YouTube? I hope not.
No, I
No,
don't think
it's still
so.
going. Fuck. Okay, I'm just gonna pop out the chat. And
Do you have any
gonna put
ideas
the
for summon cards?
give me 2 seconds. I gotta put a fucking YouTube chat on my thing really quickly. Okay, there we go. I can see YouTube chat again. Oh, sorry, I missed this message. Thanks all for your help. One more thing. When you started learning, did you experience tutorial overload? Since every programmer has a different way of doing something. Kind of. Unfortunately for that, like one of the big things is you kind of just have to try until you find which one works for you. You like look at something, you're like, oh, that makes sense, and you do it, and then it.
Okay.
Yeah. You do it, and then you're like, man, this sucks, and then you try someone else's, and you're like, man, that sucks, and then eventually you're like, oh, this one's like pretty good. Sorry, what were you saying?
I said my solution is just to do random stuff until it works. So then if it works, I'm happy.
Yeah. It's also,
but don't take
one
advice
big
from
thing.
me because I'm the worst programmer in like this entire stream.
That's not true, probably.
I don't
So
know.
one other thing is, you kind of just do projects. If you do game jams, I would recommend that because like, even now, like even here while I'm working on Dante's 9, like there are things that I'm like, oh, this is gonna affect my future projects. It's not typically something as like straightforward as like what is the movement thing, but it's like certain things like oh, this component system we're using is like really, really good, but here's like some changes that I would maybe make, or like certain other things like architecture wise that I'm like, this is really good, or this is really bad and it needs to be addressed. Otherwise, I would have been like, oh yeah, this is a good decision. Okay, so let me make this spawn. Particles tracer. I'm already tracer. Can I get... Well, hold on. What if I did a console print to local tracer dot start pods? Are you always going to be... Oh, you're not going to print anything. Oh, wait, no, I'm in the wrong function. Sorry, this is the old code that can probably be killed. But instead of doing that, I'm just kind of leaving it there. Okay, 6. So that does take into account rotation. Sick. And then I can also do to local hit position. Does that take into account rotation? Oh, hi, Callie.
So Biddy, overall, how much more stuff do you have on your list for this section? Because I'm just, how much more stuff do you have on your list in terms of like this, whatever our
So I might, yeah.
area? Because I don't want to like, I'm coming up with cards to work on, and I don't want to do a bunch that are like, oh, Biddy, please help with this one. If you already have
I might
a
actually
bit
swap
of stuff.
this around. Because I had the multiple levels slated for the next section. But now, because I did that, I might just move these around. Yeah, like this is basically done.
Okay.
I also didn't tell people about the modding stuff at all, did I?
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, it's not important that much. Oh, hi, Callie. She's like, oh, dude, he's working on that fucking game. He's always working on that game.
That's true.
Yeah, I don't have much on me.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure you didn't have like a big stack of things to do, because I also have.
I mean, I do, but not specifically about the game. Like, video, like I want to do a video on it at some point.
Yeah. But I have like, I want to find a artist for capsule art. I want to make a press kit, a bunch of artist junk. So I don't want to. But I don't want to. I just assumed that you also had a bunch of stuff to work on, so. Which you do. So I'll give you more.
Yeah. Okay. Happens. Hi, Callie.
So now we need 2 duration cards. What do we think for these? Do you want to try to get catnip to work finally?
No.
Okay.
Nope. Not happening.
That's fine. We need more like passive ones. We'll go with just these 2. You gain money for each kill over a period of time, and enemies within a certain radius extra damage. Which we don't really quite have money, but I think we have enough of money to make that work.
Yeah, we have money. It's just not displayed.
It's just not displayed. Okay.
We turned off the UI. I think that I'm fairly certain to make the money display, you could just go into health bar and then turn it on. Sorry, not boss health bar. Health bar. TSC. I lied. Where the fuck? Oh, it's hidden. Oops. Yeah, like money's here. Like I'm fairly certain that it just works. It's just that we don't have money drops. I'm pretty sure this is still hooked up to the correct signals. Yeah. Whoa.
What?
Sorry, hold on.
Okay.
I'm looking at this and trying to like parse apart what the fuck is happening here.
Oh, what are you looking at right now?
What the fuck is this? Like, I know what it is, but I'm like,
Is this the current one or is this the old one?
what do you think?
Probably the old one.
How do you think I got here? How do you think I got here?
I mean, it worked.
I got here by opening up the health bar scene, and this was the script that opened as a result.
Fire.
This is the current code. This is currently
That's the
what
current
you're doing
code.
with this. This is what you're currently doing.
Well, it works, so don't worry about it.
Oh my lord. Oh my lord, dude. There's so much like
Wait, what's the tween thing? I don't remember writing that.
that's the
I don't think I wrote this. You wrote this.
maybe?
I would never write
I
that.
don't know. This feels. You never write that. Let's check the blame. Maybe I sent you code. I might have sent you code and then you copied.
You probably did. That's true.
Our health bar.
Bet there's no way I would write like.
Oh no, I guess I did make a. I guess I did make changes, bitty changes for playtest. Is this really my commit? Did I really write this? What the fuck? I guess I did. Damn, evil. Cause I wouldn't. I would be like this, and then drag this out.
That's crazy.
To one call, and then. Do that. Whatever. The rest of this, though, this part was insane. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm gonna just. I'm going elsewhere. I'm going elsewhere. There's other things to focus on right now. There are more important things. God forbid someone takes more than 1 damage at one time.
He makes
But he
bad
makes bad code, yeah. Well, that's typically. Well, okay, like. Typically. That is the case. Typically. So x is positive, x is negative. Okay, yeah. So if x direction, but x is greater than 0, then I will spawn the tracer. Excuse me.
Ooh, I just thought of another cool sticker idea. It'd be for equipment cards, and it would give you like a temporary shield when you have it equipped. So it'd be like a shield, single shield from Gungeon, but it's only when you have the card equipped. So if you get hit, it gets rid of it, or if you unequip the card, it gets rid of it.
Sorry, what would it? Is this the sticker you said?
Yeah, so you put the sticker on the equipment card, and when you equip that equipment, it gives you a temporary shield while it's equipped. That blocks like 1 hit.
Interesting. Okay, yeah.
There'll definitely be like a more powerful sticker, but I think that's a cool idea.
Cool idea. Dude, I love Stardew Valley music. What the fuck?
So relatable, Toyin. What was the other sticker that I wanted to add?
Hi, teacher. Hi, boy. I love this cat. She's so sweet. Asterisk. She's not usually. Okay, so like this does this work? Let me see. Spawn enemy. DPS zombie. Yeah, so like this, where like there's no tracer whenever you shoot him.
Mm-hmm. Looks great.
If it's like this, there is the weird situation where it's like let me see if I can go onto a curve. It's like this, where it like curves down.
Could you? Is it possible to have the tracer just go to like where you're aiming?
Yeah, let me see if I can. I gotta think about it real quick. Because it's a weird one, kinda.
Yeah.
Because I could do the. You don't know about the aim position, do you? I guess it would. Would it be rotation? Like, what if I were to do? Oh God. Our distance is direction. Excuse me. Distance or dot length. There it is. Yeah. And then I could do. Well, actually, this shouldn't be in here. Actually, this should be inside of the. This thing. Probably. Yeah, it should be in this thing. And then in this case, if we hit something, it should be. What? This knows about aim direction. This knows about aim direction. Wait. Fuck, how does a dot product work again? Can I do like hit pause dot projected to local hit pause dot project onto aim direction and then to global that? See if that works first. It might work. Oh, that's weird. That doesn't exactly. Oh, that doesn't at all, actually.
Oh,
That's pretty funny,
nice.
though.
I'm trying to think. I literally had the idea for a sticker that I wanted to add, and I forgot what it is. I think I did, at least, maybe. I don't remember.
Hi, cow. What's that? Oh no, I need to do diff is global or hit pause minus global position. This would point towards that, and then I would do a diff projected onto aim direction, but this is already global. Mayhaps. Nope. Not exactly. Wait.
I might convert this into a checklist.
Or no, this would be if
Let's go,
onto aim.
That way I can clear which ones we already have.
Wait, do I not? Is project not working the way I think it? I would imagine. Hit pause minus global position will give a vector that is pointing towards the object. Aim direction is in global space, correct? I think.
kept switching back and forth between 2 tabs on my Obsidian, and I forgot you can just like open them next to each other.
Yeah, Obsidian's kind of like a sick program that has basic text editing features. Oh. It's magic, dude. Holy shit. Found it. There we go. It ends up being slightly higher because of how the tracer spawns. Yeah, that makes sense because the mouse ends up being like right here, which is where you're aiming, and the aim is like from the center of Dante to here, which means that whenever this does the projection, it sees from this point to this point, so it ends up drawing from here to here, which ends up creating a slightly diagonal line rather than a straight line.
You could just have it.
I could just have it be like a straight
An
line out from
always
the barrel,
straight
yeah.
line, yeah.
Yeah, okay, dude.
It would not be the first time that a game faked a gun tracer. Because that's literally every game. I don't think there's like a single game that has accurate gun tracers. That's probably not true, but like 90% of them are doing some crazy fake stuff to make it look nice.
Disgusting. Excuse me.
You can add coins, because they have a lot of relic ideas that are all based around coins.
I don't feel like adding that right now, I'll be honest. I'm just gonna leave this as is.
I thought you were talking about coins, I was like, oh.
No, I feel like doing anything else with my time right now, to be honest with you.
Do you want to make a relic that replaces all hearts with shields when they drop?
I would like to fix the item
Okay.
drops first.
Yeah.
Because the item drops are ugly code.
Oh, I thought you meant like ugly in general. I was like, I don't think they're that bad. The hearts do need to be made consistent with the other item pickups, because the other item pickups instantly disappear and make a noise, and then the hearts do like a weird animation and then don't make a noise. And it bothers me every
let me
time.
push this code up and then I'll do some item fixes, because those are
Wonderful.
important enough to spend time fixing.
I'm going through and writing down all of the stickers and relics and stuff that I think we should do, and I can go over them with you if you want. Let's see.
Oh, hello desktop. Didn't mean to do that. Oh, hello Discord. I really like that Discord does that cool thing where it decides that it should be on main screen whenever it gets minimized. Very cool. Very nice. Dude, I fucking hate this operating system. Let me find all of the programs I need to reopen. I made the godforsaken mistake of hitting the desktop button, and now everything is gone.
Wait, this one would be really funny to make if we can. Is cards that exhaust have a 50% chance to only discard. That'll be really funny with Slot Machine.
Oh god.
You just end up with like a million guns. Yeah.
Well, Slot Machine doesn't have exhaust.
You
mean
the cards that it spawns do.
Okay.
Oh wait.
So those aren't exhaust. Those are.
Yeah, they are.
Or I guess they are exhaust. Yeah, the term. We need to figure out what term exhaust versus like Those are like fragile cards or whatever the fuck they are.
Yeah, I think that
Ethereal
would
or
be,
whatever.
yeah. I don't know what the generalized term. Yeah,
they
exhaust
called
would make
the-
more sense for it to be you use it once and then it disappears until the next room.
Yeah. Whereas those are
I think
you only use
ethereal
them.
is, at least in Slay the Spire, ethereal is you
Yeah.
use it and it disappears forever.
Oh yeah, it's called fleeting in our code because I'm like weird. It also returns the name exhaust, which is funny. Whatever.
We have so many things in our code that are just called like 5 different things, different places.
Yeah. You know, it happens.
It's funny.
Okay, let me finish committing this code up. Oh, actually, sorry, I made this change and I want to make sure it still works because I deleted a huge function that I don't think is being called anymore. Oh, actually, I haven't finished. Let me finish the fucking op first because I didn't actually make it so that you can choose it to be hit scan or projectile. So what do you want it to be? How do you want to change it from hit scan to projectile?
I guess just like a enum or something. I'm trying to think the best way. So, I mean, is it working with like the tracer spawn and stuff there? Is that how that's doing its thing?
Hmm?
Like the main thing is I just want to be able to change like how it looks, and I think that's really the main thing. And then like the accuracy, which I don't know if we have that, but
oh no. Okay. So the hold on. Let me fuck my thoughts really quickly. So currently, I actually changed it. I believe all guns will do it now. Yeah, so all guns are hit scan right now.
oh, interesting.
Which is not what we want. It's very funny, but it's not what we want.
Forgot how bad the hit scan where it looks on like weapons like that. It doesn't look terrible. It's just the projectile makes
Dante's
a lot
9.
more sense.
Yeah. So what do we want? How do we want to differentiate those? Because they're both kind of guns. But they're both like they use a lot of the same stuff, but like not exactly. Because we can make it so that you pass in the projectile you want it to use, or you tell it that you want it to be hit scan, or like what's the how do we want to determine? So let's say that we wanted to say, starting from card op, this is going to be a hit scan gun. Do we want it to be a thing down here under custom properties? Because we can do that. Do we want it to be in the scene?
I think it should be in the scene, yeah.
I think it should be in the scene. Okay.
Yeah. Because that's like where you're defining all the stuff with like the... And that's not something you're going to change. You're not going to go in the card and be like, card resource and be like, I'm balancing this. Ooh, I want to make this a projectile. Like, you're not going to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Like, so that's what the the custom properties should be used for, is things that are like, oh, I want to adjust the balance of this. So I'm going to change the accuracy or the speed or something like that.
So in here, how would you want to set this up as being hit scan or projectile? Because what I was thinking was if it's a hit scan weapon, it has like a component on it that is like hit scan, like the hit scan handler. And if it's a projectile, it has like a projectile thing.
Oh, so you would like add it on
flag on here?
I was thinking it would just be a flag. At least for me, I feel like that's easier. I don't know if that would have any issues with that. Like, I know there's already a good bit of stuff on there, but like,
yeah, it's like we have
I'm used to having stuff that you don't use.
Not being used, I think. Let me make sure that that's not being used.
I think the texture might be being used.
The texture is being used, and the collision mask from the projectile info is not even a thing. What?
I'm pretty. Is it? Huh?
Oh, because it's okay. I see. So if it's a player versus enemy, okay, makes sense. I don't know if that's being used. We'll take a look in a second. Yeah, I don't... Are you using projectile info? I don't know if this is. I mean, maybe it is. What is this particular shooting component? Is this from the flying guy? Why was that a picture of Dante? Is that? No, that's not. It's just okay. Cool. Okay, yeah, this is using. That is using projectile info. The gun is kind of. Unfortunately, because like there could be a export group for like projectile info, and then or like actual projectile info versus like tracer stuff. And then I could have like an export var. Like this, so you can choose for it to be projectile or hit scan, and if it's projectile, you use these, and if it's hit scan, then it would have
Yeah, I like that.
specific things. Well, I think the shoots should probably be outside of that, because that's kind of a generic thing. So is projectile count. Even that's kind of a funny thing to say, but because this technically comes here. But if type or shoot type is shoot type dot projectile, we do the. I think now that's funny. Did you mean to make it 5,000, by the way? Or is
Yeah,
this...
yeah. It's supposed to be
Okay.
fast because I want it to be fast.
Funny. Let's see. So this is not hit scan. So I didn't actually set it to hit scan. Now it is. And then if I grab the kunai, that's not a gun. I don't know why the fuck I grabbed that.
Isn't it technically? No, it's not technically a gun.
No. It's a thrown weapon.
Yeah.
So those are projectiles. And then if I want to go in here and now say like pistol equipment, so I'll do the rest of the pistol because that one's actually called pistol. So if you change this to hit scan, now it's hit scan.
Whoa, that's really cool.
And then now it's projectile.
With the tuna.
Lots of prayers. Does that work?
Yes, that's wonderful.
Okay, sick.
And then just like, I don't know, some kind of export for it, whatever the tracer is. And maybe like the particles. I don't know how you have that set up. So.
Yeah, so those are actually handled on the... Oh, that's annoying. Is the marker G. And is there anything else that you could actually... I know you have a raycast exported, but I actually don't think you could use that. I thought I got rid of this function. What happened to you? Oh, I didn't hit the save button. I see. Fair enough. Yeah, the particle stuff is actually handled by the tracers themselves.
Okay.
So I don't know what we want to do for that. Because it's the bullet tracer. See? This is what handles the spawning of particles, I believe. Or there's the bullet tracer and there's the bullet particles. Bullet tracer particles, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I guess I'll figure that out.
Yeah, I don't know what we want to change about that. That's old code that's been there for a long time. Get on my lap. Go on. You're upset with me speaking. Go on. I get it, but like, leave.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll call that file. Hello. Hi. Hello. Oh. Do you need a hit skill raycast check as well? You do, actually, right? Yeah. Kind of. Yes. Oh, you know what I should do, actually? I should make sure that the op can't shoot through the walls. How about that?
It's a good idea.
Before I push anything up. Let me make sure that we can't shoot through walls. If I remember anything from the time that I was working on that roguelike on stream, okay, it can shoot through walls. Sick.
I mean, maybe we want that as a feature. Wallbang. It can go through one tile.
It can go through one tile. Please don't do that.
Oh, come
we can.
on.
Please don't do that.
I know, I'm joking. That would be so hard to explain too.
It's also like the tiles aren't like one collider either.
Yeah.
Like this would be considered one tile, like from here to here.
Well, I'm trying to think of how you do that. I mean,
it would be
there
some
would
shit
probably
like,
be some.
There's some shit that can be done. Yes.
Yeah.
Please don't.
You could probably measure like, I don't know how you do this, but measure the distance from like where you hit it and like where it exits, and be like, if that's less than a tile length, then it will go through.
Yeah, no, that is like really easy to do after all, you know? That's really easy.
I literally just said I have no clue how you would do that.
Yeah. Because it's like you could do like theory-wise, yes, you could check to see if this distance, like from here to here, is larger than like one tile size, which is like this. However, getting this point, really fucking easy. This point, however, is much harder to get. Doubly
you just
so
shoot
if
a
there
negative raycast.
So doubly so in a case like this, where you are shooting to this location, so that it would go through and it would see that this has been hit and this has been hit, but you're also hitting here and here.
Just add them together.
So you would need to... yeah, no, that's true, dude. You're right. How do you get those points, though? I'm just curious. Like, if you had to do that, how would you get those points? Those 4 points that I'm looking at right there.
I don't know. At Grok.
Exactly. It's like explaining it as a human is like really, really easy. Making it
That's
work
your job
for every situation is the problem.
That's your job.
Honestly, what would probably be easier,
we're adding the Godot
in all actuality, is because the tile set is like set sizes, just like fire a line under, like take a line and then convert each chunk of that into like a tile coordinate that it would be in, and then see if there's a tile there, and for every one that it goes through, every one that has a tile, that adds 1 to the piercing, so there'd be no raycasting at all.
Interesting.
Since it's like grid aligned. That's actually how Doom did it. Not Doom. Sorry, Wolfenstein. Doom didn't do that.
Same thing.
Yeah, Wolfenstein 3D did something very similar with honestly, you know, I'm pulling up a video. I'm gonna credit my sources on that one.
I think
the GOAT Javid X9. One. Was it Javid X9? I'm like fairly certain it was. I might be like stupid. I'm fairly certain it was David X9 though. Let's go through his channel. His channel's sick, by the way. Oh, is it this one? Yep. All right, dude. It's loud. Next up. This thing. Yeah. So he talks about here the FOV. You can just take like bands along the entire time and then go through the collisions and convert them to tile coordinates, and then that's like the easy way to do it, kinda.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and that's like quicker than most raycasting anyways. I don't know if that's gonna be true for GD script, but probably is.
Okay. I think I got all the things written down that I think we should do. So
Okay.
for cards, do the op and the AK, which are really easy for weapon cards. For summon cards, I want to have like an auto turret that you like throw down. It'll automatically shoot at enemies. I want to have something, I don't know exactly what it should be, but something that will like fly around you and like block bullets, so it doesn't really do anything. It's kind of just like a bullet sponge.
Oh yeah, we could add like a glass go on stone probably.
Yeah, basically like that. And then I want for the utility cards, I want to have the spray bottle, which is like a Gungeon blank. And then one that marks the enemy with the highest health and they take more damage for the rest of the room until they're dead. And then for duration cards, one that gives you more money over a period for each kill over a period of time, and enemies within a certain radius take extra damage. So it's like the zapper, except it just increases the damage that they take. And one thing that I was thinking is we can access like the sticker parameters, like the damage multiplier and stuff as well, just by itself. We want to do extra things with it, right?
What's the
Because I'm thinking for like the
context?
Enemies within a certain radius take extra damage. We could have that use the damage card or sticker. It just increases the amount of damage they take, because instead of this dealing damage, it like multiplies your damage. So the damage sticker would multiply the multiplier for the damage. That makes sense.
Hold on. Give me like a second to
That's okay.
think about what you just asked me. Okay, so for this card, what's it
Sticker,
doing?
Sticker, sorry. Oh wait, card.
This is
This
Card?
This card, when
Uh-huh.
it's a duration card that when it's active,
Yes.
enemies within a radius of you take extra damage. So it just multiplies the damage that
Yes.
they take and increases it.
Okay, that's fine. Yes. Why are we accessing card parameters or card properties?
Sorry, the sticker. Whatever it is. I don't know what it's called. But
No, we would not
say-
do that.
Okay.
So what we would do is, do we have anything that does this currently? Give me a second to think about this. The Soul Siphon. Soul Siphon does a similar thing. So for Soul Siphon, what it does is it grabs events target killed. So we could do events dot damage dealt, connect on damage dealt, and then this would actually, I think this is this emit the same parameters it does. Okay, so I'll just copy this and on damage dealt. So what we could do is we would say like distance is global position dot distance to target dot global position, and then we could see if this is within that amount. We would just say attack dot damage. Like if you wanted it to do 25% more damage, that's what that would do.
So what I'm saying is if we want to apply stickers to it, like if we to increase the amount of damage that it takes.
If you want to apply stickers to the amount of damage it increases it by.
Yeah, so you would add the damage sticker, but instead of directly increasing, because the card itself doesn't deal damage, so it would take that damage amount and transfer it to the multiplier.
Yeah, because this thing has, since this is a card ability that has access to the card, so we could grab any properties off of that in here.
Yeah. And then we would just have to figure out how to let this card use that sticker.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if it would fit in any of the mod categories.
Like, for example, if there was like a size property. Size we could do that. And then multiply 100 times like the size properties, like size. Because we could do that as well, where it's like the distance that it's in. So yeah, stuff like that could be done. Big fan of writing code to immediately erase it afterwards. So hello, Moaz. Meow, me sugar. Meow. Like shit.
Hello, Moaz.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Moaz, hop on Counter-Strike. No? Okay.
Did Moaz say anything?
No.
You didn't even account for stream delay, did you? You just said it?
Nah.
Okay, fair enough. Based, honestly.
Moaz just hates me, it's okay.
Based, honestly.
Okay, so we got that figured out. So that's the cards. For stickers, I have the one that decreases your accuracy but increases damage. We need to have the increased duration sticker for duration cards. A pin that makes it that you always start with that card when you enter a room. And then
okay, questions.
Yep.
So for the pin, what if you have a max hand size of 4 and you have 5 pin cards? Does it just like
it just
override
picks
that?
them random.
Oh, it picks randomly from them.
Yeah, I would think so.
Okay. Sure.
And then maybe the equipment shield. I thought I had another one that I was thinking of, but I don't remember. But the one where when you equip, it gives you a temporary shield. I don't know if you like that idea, but maybe we could try that.
It's a fine idea, yeah.
And then for relics, taking damage instantly refills mana. That's easy. Increase charges of all cards. That's probably easy. I don't know how to do that, but I imagine it's easy. Random drops on taking damage. That's kind of fun. All hearts are replaced with shields when dropped. I have zero clue how we want to do that. And then the cards that exhaust have 50% chance to only discard. Hand size -1, decrease all mana cost. Kind of like that one. And then, if we have time, Godot plushie. Which turns all of the enemies into, or I think that's what when you kill them, it turns the enemies into a plushie.
For certain ones like Godot plushie, one thing that I would like to keep in mind is perhaps certain things shouldn't be considered enemies in that case, like the boss. I would imagine we wouldn't want to turn into a Godot plushie. Maybe we do, but probably not.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Also, I don't know if we want like the eggs would turn into like plushies or like the goobers.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want all of those to be able to do that.
I'm just trying to think how you would determine that. Like, how would we say this one applies, this one doesn't? But I agree, yeah. And then for enemies, I just have the spider as like a base enemy, and then I want to make the flying guy have a laser, and the ground guy have projectiles. If you think of better ideas, we can maybe do some more interesting enemies, but...
Okay. Okay.
I don't like dealing with the enemies right now, so couldn't think of anything
Real.
good. So overall, it's a good bit of stuff, but I think most of it's pretty simple, even though it's probably mostly going to be bitty help. How do I make this work?
Many such cases.
Many such cases. That's okay. Quibble Game Jam.
Wow.
I don't know. Just got a ping. Starts in 1 month and 4 days.
The start of February? Weird.
Mm-hmm. Kind of crazy. Bro did the kitty cat thing? What?
Oh my god, my brain is starting to go blank. What am I doing? I want to set the date polygon. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm kind of just like writing code and hoping that it'll work.
In many such cases.
Okay, well, it didn't crash. That's pretty cool. Does it work?
Let's go.
Oh, what the fuck? There's no way that just works, right? Like I'm being lied to currently. Like, it
Yeah,
doesn't.
you are.
Wait, no, that actually just works. What the fuck?
Huh?
Why the fuck did it just work? I don't know if I'm happy or upset. I don't feel like I coded just now. My fucking hands took control and did the thing for me. Whatever. I need to add Pierce to this. At
Pierce,
some point.
Pierce the Veil? Sorry. You can
No.
kill me now.
Yeah. That's ideal.
It was kind of funny though. Right? Okay. Am I muted?
Chad, is my mic muted? Can you guys hear me? I'll be right back, actually, really quickly. I'm gonna do a couple laps around my living room and also get something to snack on.
Okay.
And a little bit of caffeine.
I might do the same when you get back.
Oh no. Alright, good luck.
Let me make sure I'm not on Biddy Vision for some reason. No, I'm not. Okay, we're good. Why does this look so bad?
Okay, I'm back. Hello.
Hi.
Do I want to make Pierce work right now? I think the answer is no. I don't care enough.
Okay.
No, I won't.
Win.
Well, what else is using Pierce? Yeah,
Pierce
okay,
sticker.
actually, I can do this.
Stopping by, hope the stream's going well. Hello, Lazy Time. It is going pretty well. Mostly.
What's up?
Now I'm just bad at drawing.
True. Oh, I'm like stupid. Oopsies. Oopsies,
okay.
oopsies.
Yeah.
I forgot to set card instance to the card.
Oops.
Crazy idea.
Yeah.
I was like, man, it's not picking up the card changes. That sucks. I was hopeful that that would work, and then, oh, you're piercing a lot more than I expected. That's not correct, right? How much does one pierce sticker add?
One pierce.
Like it'll from no enemies to 2 enemies. Like it'll go from hitting 1 enemy to 2
Yeah,
guys.
that's pretty sure.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's find out. Yeah. Okay. So the op is not doing that correctly. Oh shit.
Rip.
Oh, oops, because I forgot to wrap this in a if check. What? Oh.
What?
I was like, I expected this to pierce a fuck ton. It doesn't. You know why? Because it's fucking it overflowed. It wrapped back around and became negative.
Very nice.
Okay, and then this one pierces 4. I should like totally put these in like a line, like up here, where I can like actually shoot them.
Well, my AK is a little stuck, but I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah, there we go. So this will do, so yeah, 2 pierce stickers pierces over 4, and then no pierce sticker hits 1. Yeah, sounds good to me. What the fuck? What? Wait, what? So this works for the sword as well? No, the sword's correct. What about the rapier? Is that one fucked up? Yes, it is. The rapier and the knife are fucked up.
What did you do?
Nothing. It's it looks like this is probably how they've done. So the knife. So you can see that it lines up really well with the hitbox. If I look up, it lines up pretty well with the hitbox. But the second the sprite flips, it no longer does.
Oh, okay, that's weird.
So now whenever you're over here, the hitbox is like very misaligned.
I did not even notice.
So that means swinging the knife and rapier to the right is more accurate than swinging the knife and rapier to the left.
Nice. I'm sure that's fine.
I want to fix that.
Yeah.
How hard would that be to fix it? Hey, why is it this? Whatever, I don't care enough to fix that part, but.
Here we go. How do you like my very stubby AK?
Whoa, that AK? Hella stubby.
Just a little.
Sick.
It looks okay though.
Looks good. Looks fine. It looks okay. I kind of hate it actually now that I think about it. Now that I'm like thinking about it more. Yep. Sorry, dude. Should have made it cooler.
Yeah, you're right.
Whoa. Excuse me.
Oh, pretty cool.
Thanks, dude. Thanks, broski. What if I put the area as a child of the sprite? That'd be funny, right? Like, that'd be cool. Surely this won't look weird. It might actually be really funny now that I'm thinking about it.
Some of these card
Isn't
arts are a little inconsistent.
Wait, this kind of goes crazy, JW.
Huh?
Because the hitbox is now tied to the actual blade of the...
It looks
Wait, this
so
actually like goes
goofy.
crazy. No, but like you wouldn't see it is the thing.
Yeah, that's. I don't know if I like that. Also, I don't know if that has any like performance issues or anything.
It shouldn't. I don't know how it would.
It's just like moving a hitbox and scaling it
No.
a lot. I don't know. I
Because
don't know,
it's
something
set up to
about
do that
just
anyways.
bothers me. The only thing that I'm thinking that I don't like is that means that if you aim like all the way to the left and then like flip over and hit, the hit will be in the wherever your knife is physically, and since it does like the lerp thing, it's not necessarily going to hit exactly where you're aiming, which I don't like.
Hold on, let me restart the game because I'm fairly certain it might actually have that issue still.
I don't know.
Like, as of right now. Yeah, it does have that issue right now because if you were to... Oh, wrong button. Back to the main menu we go.
Oh, I guess maybe.
Because whenever you swing, you can still move your cursor around.
I guess. Maybe it's fine then.
I'll probably fix it at some point. I'm just gonna... I'll put a note on this. Did you... Rapier and knife have fucked up.
I'm very glad I
Fucked.
decided to do the 2-color thing for drawing the cards, because I definitely think it makes them more cohesive. A lot of these are drawn in somewhat different ways, so they're not super cohesive, but I feel like. But I think the colors really make it work.
Salmon Storm. Would like a word with you.
Well, yeah, that one's special, because it looks sick.
Okay, can you go, like, to the right on your, like, timeline?
To the right, this
Like,
way?
next cards. Yeah, like if you just keep doing that. So are those all old parts or?
These are old, yeah. These ones are old. This is like kind of old. That's old. This is current. It's just like kind of randomly spread around.
I see. Okay.
Like this is old.
So I was gonna say, yeah, because it looks like you have them kind of divided up into different sections.
No, I don't. It's just
For the
random.
most part.
I mean, kind
Okay.
of. Like there's some green ones.
I was gonna
here,
say,
but
'cause,
those are,
like
old.
Because it could be like nice for you to like have a tag, like if you like select the frames that have the weapons
Oh
and
yeah,
then add a
yeah.
tag that
That's
says
not a
like
bad idea.
weapon or equipment or whatever. Wait, I never noticed that. What the fuck?
Hmm?
Hold on.
What?
Hey, that's sick as fuck. I never noticed that.
But
Hard composites. Hard art. Salmon store. Dude, that's dithering.
yeah,
He put dithering on a card. That's sick.
I'm never
love
using
dithering.
dithering again.
This guy fucking hates dithering.
No, I don't. It's pretty great actually.
Okay. What am I doing now? I think the op works. Let me commit that up. That's what
Oh,
I
I
wanna
forgot
do.
we have the
I wanna
stone
commit this up.
block. There's some art in here that I forgot that I just haven't
Stone
made.
block? Stone block?
Like Craig.
Like Minecraft stone block?
Yeah. Do you have any other cards in here that I haven't made? We have the Hell Jelly. Forgot about him. Maybe he can be the one that blocks bullets.
Oh, dude, he'll bounce the bullets back at the enemies because he's a jelly and he'll go.
If you want to program that.
Dude, this guy is so fucking lame. I hate him.
You came up with the idea, okay?
Fuck you, bitch.
Oh, I forgot we have this. Although it's not spring, it's a lighter of some kind that I don't know what it does, but whatever. So yeah, there are a few that we don't have. We gotta add the nuke back at some point.
What do you mean add the nuke back as if that was ever in the game?
It was.
What the fuck was it? It was never in the game that I worked on.
Well, it was in the game that I made. And I got the
Okay.
card art for it right here. Look at that.
I'm adding hammer back. Fuck whatever else you're trying to add. I'm adding a hammer
No.
back.
As long as it looks
Honestly,
nice.
Hammer could go fucking crazy right now that we've kind of
It
refined some of our
kinda
ideas.
could actually, if you want to.
Like imagine. Wait, we have nothing. We don't have anything doing any distortion shaders, do we?
No.
We do.
Now we need a
technically.
distortion shader.
We technically have a distortion shader. The hazy background distorts, but
Yeah, that's
Like
like
a-
count, though.
yeah, like something like the blank effect, or not the blank effect, like
I know what you're
Siren's effect
saying.
from Gungeon.
Yeah. Oh, this is
Sure. Oh, I didn't even make sure that the fucking laser pointer still worked after I changed all this shit. I should do that. I forgot because the laser pointer is also a hit scan. It's not a gun, but it's a hit scan. And I think I added a tracer to it for funsies. Yeah, it has that, which is fun.
Oh, that's
Not good,
very
it's
cool.
fun.
Yeah, so we're just spawning invisible bullets for the visible hit scan bullets for the laser.
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Not even remotely close. Well, kind of, but not really. No.
Yeah.
Oh, actually. Wait, I didn't even check this. Hold on. Wait, this might be sick. I didn't mean to do this. But I think the laser works with Pierce now. Actually, I need to make one change to this,
Mhm.
which is inside of ready, hit scan handler dot card instance equals card instance. Now this thing should pierce. So if I were to go back here, redo cards, and then add a bunch of dudes. Oh, dude, it does. Oh, why is it hitting them all?
It's not. It's just the visible part is going through
The
the wall.
particles, yeah. I thought that I fixed that, but I guess I didn't. Maybe I didn't. I might have just not fixed that, because I know that that's an issue in yours right now, right? Can you check?
Yeah. What am I checking?
Can you just, like, spawn a dummy, use the laser, shoot at the dummy with the laser, and see if it goes through and hits the wall?
Yeah.
Not using a DPS dummy is insane, by the way. That's insane.
Well, you
work.
said a dummy. You didn't say which one. Do I sound like that? Chat.
Yeah. I don't know why you sound like that. It's a little weird. I haven't really been saying anything about it, but now that you've asked, like, yeah, dude, you sound like that.
There is a very stubby AK, but whatever, it works. That looks fine.
You know what you could use instead of that? Isn't the AK-74 stubbier, but like actually works?
Yes, but I think it's like...
Or not the AK-74. Sorry. Hold on. It's the AK-74U.
Isn't that like more of an SMG though? I don't know.
No, it's this. It's
Okay.
still a. It's this thing.
It's this thing.
Yeah, it's this thing.
Yeah.
It has a folding stock. So the is it just a folding stock? So this can be attached so that
But
you've
then I
got
have
less
to
of a.
redraw it.
You wouldn't have to redraw it. It's the same fucking gun, but without the stock. It's just the same thing.
Yeah, but then I'd have to redraw it.
Why do you sound like that?
Yeah, maybe I'll change it.
No, it's fine. You don't gotta. I mean, it works. What you've got now is fine. It is a little snubby though, yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
It's just the quirky card art.
The quirky.
The soul dispenser definitely needs a better card art. This looks terrible. Oh, and hey, look, we actually have particles that are matching the room that I'm in. Oh, the flavor text font looks really weird with the accessible font. It's so tiny.
Oh, it is, yeah.
I think we might want to consider changing the font, just in general, for the like UI. Like I think on the cards, I like the pixel perfect font, but maybe having like a slightly higher resolution pixel font for like the tooltips and stuff, I think would be better.
Hold on, there's a font that I bookmarked a long time ago that I like, and I don't remember if I like it. It honestly might be a font that would work in Dante's 9, all things considered.
Somehow I think I made the AK like really balanced.
Can I buy this? Let me see if I bought this. If I bought this, I can just fucking put it in the project and find out. Because the TTF file is locked behind.
Is it like for commercial use though?
Yes, if you pay for it.
Okay.
Which, we would be, for sure.
Yeah.
How do you find what you bought in itch.io? Oh, my library. I found it.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Yeah, I bet you were. I do not have this font purchased, but $2. Let me check the licensing real quick. This font family can be used in commercial and non-commercial projects. Credit is not needed, but much appreciated. Pay more than $2 to get access to all the variants and the TTF standard font fill. So here's what it is. It's called Wayholmir. And it looks like he had like some sort of like gothic demonic thing in style whenever he created it. But it looks good, fine, great.
It looks really nice.
I like it.
Very clean.
Yeah. Actually, I have a bookmark because someone sent it, I believe, in Pirate Software's Discord like a year and a half ago or some
Wait,
shit.
did he have like a
this
big
is-
variant too? That's all.
Yeah, there's like different variations. There's like the
Cool.
XL, standard, and mini.
That's nice. Yeah, I really like that.
Yeah, you can download the regular version, but if you want the TTF, which I would just I might just buy it now. Actually, fuck it.
Yeah, you should just buy it.
Yeah,
Twin.
yeah. I'm gonna put you on my
Yeah, that's fair.
stream. That way, I don't think that it should open up my PayPal on main screen, but let's find out.
Just in case. Yeah, you buy the font, I'll buy the capsule art. Sounds like a fair deal to me.
We are Charlie Kirk. Sorry.
Bro forgot
Everyone have
he
a good
was
Kirkmas?
live.
Did everyone have a good Kirkmas? Oh shit! Wait.
Hmm.
Okay, JWs. So I put in $5, by the way, because I felt like, you know,
Okay.
this is like a fair enough thing. Do you think I should Klarna this, right? Like I should
Wait,
pay for this
yeah.
over 4 months,
I
right?
think you should.
Okay.
Can you actually do that?
Yes, PayPal lets you Klarna fucking anything. It's insane.
It's peak.
It's so stupid. For anyone who's looking for financial advice, do not do payment plans for things like your fucking Chipotle burrito. It's such a bad idea.
Yeah. Not that you would know anybody that would do that.
No, definitely
Yeah,
not.
definitely not.
Definitely not. Definitely didn't know someone who would do that and then claim that it was good for their credit score, not knowing fucking anything about what they were talking about.
Wait, is that good for your credit score?
No. Where the fuck is... Okay, UI, themes, and fonts. Yeah, okay, sick. Put this bitch in a project. Oh, I already downloaded the PNG version of this, apparently, at some point. That's sick. I wonder how difficult it would be to just replace the theme. T-Res. It's called the inventory theme because we're fucking weird and stupid. We are Charlie Kirk. Sorry. So this is what it. That didn't replace that. So this is what the font looks like in the description of things. I think we could change the spacing probably.
Yeah, the spacing's a little off.
Yeah,
That does look
it looks
decently
like
nice. Yeah.
yeah. There's like a little bit of blurriness to it, and I think it's just because it wasn't imported
Yeah.
correctly.
What version is that? Is that the regular?
Yes,
Okay.
this is a regular. If I do, where the
You
fuck
don't
is
want anti-aliasing.
multi-channel chime? Yeah, multi-channel chimed. Yeah, good one.
Should fix a decent amount of it, I think.
Yeah, it
Still might be a
fixed an
little
okay
bit.
amount of it.
But...
What was the thing that we did to do that before? I don't fucking remember.
I don't
I thought
know.
it was just
Just
the
look at the
MSDF.
old font. There is. I just change stuff until it looks nice. Like it's
Yeah.
a pain to figure out. Like I genuinely have zero.
I'm also going to download. Oh no, this should have the big version as well. I thought because this is a TTF file. I thought that it would be like you could specify this as large font. Although I don't know, this looks fine. I think. I mean, it's a little blurry.
Yeah, I can always adjust the settings until it looks nice.
Yeah. Oh, that's regular. I thought that you would. Hinting, light, normal. Normal. It's like very slightly blurry. Oh, that looks. Oh, that feels weird. Oh, that feels really weird. Oh god, that feels weird.
Oh, did you? No.
Yeah, that would need
yeah,
changes
don't
for
change
sure.
that. No, I definitely don't think we should change that font.
You don't think so?
No.
Maybe this number one. This still pisses me off. The look of
What?
these.
Oh, I really like this.
They're like very. Like the font size is weird. Like if you let me put my magnifier in fucking Windows zoom in mode so that the screen can continue being viewed. If you look at the font right there, you can see how like the text is kind of like snapping around pixels and it's making me
Does mine do
angry.
that?
Yes. All font does that. It came free with your font.
I like don't
Oh,
really
hello.
see it.
Hi there. Hello. Magnifier.
Maybe could use a little adjustment, but like I don't. It's definitely better than whatever that other one is because I like it being pixel perfect if it's gonna be on the cards.
Yeah, I mean we can always mess with the other one to make it pixel perfect, but
Yeah. Yeah.
Is there a way for me to change? I thought that this should be bold, but or like I thought that this would have like a bold whatever and not bold, but I guess not.
I have no clue. I would really just look at the settings for the old font and see if you can just copy this.
I thought, can I not save this as a thing? I guess not.
But you also have 475 errors.
Yeah, that's because I changed fonts in the middle of
Okay. I see.
while the game is running. I mean, I'll rerun it, but it shouldn't be like an issue of anything.
Cool.
Yeah, that doesn't look. I don't like that.
I don't think it changed it. Did it?
Something's a little weird. What if I turned off MSDF? I know that that's like usually been an issue for us. Well, that looks fine. Maybe having MSDF off is good for this one.
Maybe.
Because that looks fine versus...
Yeah. Do we have it on our regular one?
Yes. Which is what's making me like, what the hell?
I don't know.
Okay, oversample times 10. Give me oversampling.
Do you even know what any of these are doing?
Nope. I mean, I could assume what oversampling does. I'm assuming it's you, instead of sampling 1 point in the fucking thing, you sample 10. Although I don't know why this could ever be a decimal, but who knows? Maybe it's multiplication, like 10 times.
I don't know, but that looks fine.
Yeah.
How does it look on the tooltips now?
Definitely.
Yeah, definitely needs some
Actually,
spacing.
don't know how to change that on a font-wide like thing. I don't know if I can actually.
I think when you have to change it in the theme.
Maybe. I thought there was something I could do over here. Let me see if I can I thought that there was something in the
Well,
advanced
that's, I
that I
think,
could do.
the same. I don't know.
Yeah, no, because there's not like I could go in here and I don't know if I could actually. I guess I could do an override for like rich text labels and anything using this, and give line separation a little change. Like this would be 50 or something. Probably not 50. Probably like
That
8,
might be a little
but, you know.
high.
Well, I just, I want to make sure that it works. It's like the make big changes first and then come back to it later. Does this apply in real time? Yes, it does. Is it because those are not... It might be paragraph separation, actually, that needs to be changed. And those are rich text labels.
That's it,
So...
Oh, okay. I see. Yeah.
Oh! Yeah, that affected that, which is very interesting.
Oh.
I didn't expect that. Okay, so we need a little bit of spacing on the line spacing. Let's try like 8. So specifically the one I'm looking at is the sneaky beaky like text. So this is the line spacing. That looks fine, I think. Okay, and then if I were to do paragraph spacing, let's also just set this to 8. I think that's fine. It's a little weird. Some of this font looks a little weird. Like this P is like really bugging me. I don't know if it's also bugging you.
A little bit.
It's like double wide for some reason. Actually, it's like triple wide. It's like
I think that's
1,
just
2,
the
3.
Yeah, I think that's just the P in that font. It looks a little weird. I don't like this like issue.
Yeah.
Like, problem with it.
Allegedly there are different variations.
Yeah, I would try the variations.
But like I don't.
You can. I think like even higher resolution could be better.
I'm gonna see if this has. I wonder if only the one has a TTF file of it, or if all of them do. Only the regular has a TTF file.
Oh, that's awkward.
Which is a little weird. Yeah, that's fine. Godot actually supports bitmap fonts, so I can just fucking... Sorry, new font file. Oh no, is it this? Font data, thank you. Thank you for figuring it out, Joe. You got it. Dude. Music is holding on me. What do you mean I have to listen to music with soundtrack now? I love this song, but... what letter of the alphabet is that? 10 per row. There's that 10. And 11. Ooh, sick. I actually... Fuck, I don't remember how to do this. Is it... I thought there was a thing here. 0 to 127 represents full ASCII range. Play-Doh documentation bitmap font. Okay, I know what I need to do, kind of. What are the chances that this guy has a... Hold on. Oh, what an ugly fucking website. Oh my god. Okay, so Game Maker doesn't work. This is what I'm looking at, by the way. I'm trying to map to real life. Although... It's funny to say this. I actually think the Game Maker one would work better. He has a file in here called, like, specifically for Game Maker. However, it looks like it adheres closer to ASCII than this thing does.
That's very funny.
So let's try that. Let's try you. Import you as a bitmap font with ranges of 33 to 33 to 127, 126. Okay, sick. That works. With columns that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm gonna take a break for a second, grab something to eat. I'll be right back.
Okay, good luck. Oh, those are not the words that I asked for. That is pretty funny, though. What were these? B-U-T-T-O-N. Those are off by 1, which makes me think that this is supposed to be 32. There's like a little bit of... There's like some crust over there. It's very crust. Don't compress that shit. And also, Didn't we just listen to this? Am I like... Oh no, that we listened to the other version of it. I'm gonna go next. Ooh, good song. Oh, goodbye. Fubar decided that I cannot go back. Where was that? Excuse me, did that not export? I thought I just told that to export. Did you not? I guess I didn't. Weird. Maybe I hit the wrong button. Maybe we'll give this another shot. Dude, I keep clicking the wrong fucking everything. Where are you saving to? Oh, you're saving to a temp folder. Let's not do that. Let's instead do this. Yerp. And go. Re-imports. That looks closer to right. And not exactly right, but that's fine. Character margin 1111, I think. Almost. Oh, because you're missing the space character, right? That's the problem. Yeah. What does this look like in game? Ooh. I kind of like that there's periods in between everything. Not that it's good, but I do like it. It is fun. Let's fix that though. I'm actually surprised. I thought that based on the ASCII table, I thought that it would be... Oh! The font creator didn't include a space between period and not period. Is there anything that has a comma? I don't think there's anything that we have that has a comma. This looks so weird. That works. Yeah, there's a comma there. Okay, that's fine. I can just add a new frame. Kill that, and then... Uh-oh, what the fuck did I do? I fucked something up. Oopsies.
That doesn't look right.
Oh, thanks. I didn't know. I was like, this is looking pretty good, but now that you mention it, I think something is off. Yeah, it's weird. Let's see, 30 to 127 or something. That's not a 30. I don't know what number this is supposed to be. I'll be honest. That looks almost right.
No clue.
Maybe it's because there's an image margin. Nope. -1, -1. Nope.
More like -2, -2. Okay, what can I be doing?
Actually, I really don't understand why this is so fucked up. All I did was add a single, like, thing to it, which I thought would just require me to move everything over by 1, but I guess not.
Oh, one simple thing that I want to change is make it that, I don't know if it's either when you finish a room or when you start a room, it automatically sets your mana to max.
Hmm.
Do you know the best way to do that?
Yeah. There's a signal in the level manager that does that. That's room started, room ended.
Okay. And the mana
pick
is in
one.
player data, right?
Mhm.
So I could just say, is it in?
Oh, it's in stats. Sorry.
Stats, that's what it is.
But yeah, I would do it in player data.
Okay.
I like to change the stats.
So we can have bunker, yeah. Forgot how to code.
Many such, yeah. Also, are you on my screen or your screen? Just
I'm
checking.
on your screen. Not that it really matters who's writing code, nobody cares.
That's what I'm gonna probably be doing at some point, potentially, if I figure out what I'm doing. Did I push up changes? I didn't. I made a commit and then I just never actually like pushed it. Scan. Oh, dude, I'm like, oh my god. Okay, I think my Adderall has worn off for the day because I am swapping tasks like a motherfucker. I wanted to make sure that the laser pointer worked, and I just forgot to do that. Because I was like, oh, I'm going to look at the font now.
Many such cases. That was literally just because I'm like casually mentioned that we should change the font, and you were like, I have a font for this, so then went off and did something.
Yes, I need this to stop going all the way over there. Preferably.
I think on room ended we reset the mana. Look at that. That's actually so cool that it's just that easy to do that. Assuming it works.
How are you resetting the mana?
I'm just setting current mana to max mana.
Okay. What am I doing?
Yep, that works.
Yay.
Just like... Oh.
What's up?
I didn't realize there's like a 1 pixel gap, kind of, between the little diamond here and the bar. I thought it like went straight into the bar, but it doesn't quite.
It should be behind the bar. Like the texture has like a outline on it, and so it's covering the bar. Right?
Yeah. So I can't.
If that texture just didn't have the pixels, then.
But like, see how it has like the 2 pixels on the ends that are like kind of slightly rounded. there's like a little pixel gap there. See, you can see it.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
That one little pixel.
Here.
Which like it's not a big issue, but I think maybe you moved the diamond over by like 1 pixel to the right. I can't do that.
Oh, I'm angry now.
Huh?
Fuck you for pointing out anything about the UI. Now I'm staring at that.
Why
The alignment on this is
off.
really fucking bad.
Yeah.
Like, it's really bad. Like, there's so much that's just, like, not lined up here. Ew.
Yeah, then if you pick up an item that's also out of line.
That one should be up in line with the heart.
It might be in line with
I
the
think.
heart. It looks like it's slightly off. Maybe
Let
it
me get this
is.
on a light background so that I can... It's like, yeah, it's lined up with the heart.
Okay, with the left side's aligned. It's not like centered.
No, yeah, because they're also larger than
I
the
guess
hearts are.
you're right. You're right. Twin.
I don't know how that happened, because I spent a lot of time making sure that this was lined up, but apparently it's just not. Sorry, I got a little angry.
Yeah, we know.
There.
The other 2 mana bar .gd. I'm not gonna worry
There's
about
also
it.
2 mana labels, I think. You know.
Where's the... Oh, is this on the...
Just go into the health bar scene and then find it from there is my recommendation.
Okay. I don't know what they changed, but that's good. Let's see. You. Let me just move you over. No, of course you can't. There you go.
Oh shit, Covino! Welcome in, welcome in. How's it going?
Hey, look, you actually saw the raid this time.
I did.
Well,
did.
also the
Slash-
issue with the hearts is the heart is
Oh.
actually a 1
My
pixel
God.
center, and the diamond is a 2 pixel center. So they'll never be
Dude.
perfectly aligned unless
Dude,
we make it
artists,
not pixel
man.
perfect.
Look at these.
But I could at
these
least
artists.
align the left side.
Yeah, I think left aligning it would be the
Okay.
correct move there.
So I
But yeah.
think it needs to be up by
How
the
y'all doing? We're doing good. If you didn't see, by the way, the game has a playtest on Steam that you can go and
Yeah.
play right now.
What's the game?
Right here. You can actually go. Yeah,
Is
there
this
it is.
There you go.
There's the link.
It's just on the Steam page. You can actually play
Yeah,
it directly
you can
from
just
there.
you can sign up to the playtest, and everyone is allowed to play.
Yeah.
We're just doing a little bit of miscellaneous fixes. We're gonna push up a change at some point that fixes a small crash, but for the most part, the stuff is like basically the same.
Also, make sure to
Oh,
wish
Lord,
list
this
because
is
we're trying to get
weird.
to 1,000 wish lists before the end of the year, and Bitlytic
This
is
is true.
not making a video, so we're not gonna make it because his video is not
Who's
gonna make it
Bitlytic?
out.
Bitlytic.
Bitlytic.
Who's that?
I don't know who's Bitlytic.
Yeah.
Let's see. Is
Why
this
is
a
this
line
not
now?
dude?
That's not quite
Oh,
aligned, is it? I can't zoom.
I don't understand. You can't zoom.
I can't zoom.
He can't zoom. Why are you so weird? What the hell? What's?
I'll probably make a video
Oh no,
about
the
the op
particles are spawning up.
before the end of the year as well.
What?
I said I'll probably make a video about the op as well for the end of the year.
Big fan of the op.
Can I call it the op without
Operator.
getting sued?
I don't know, honestly.
I might just call it like
I don't know the
sniper.
legality of it.
Yeah.
I believe so. Sorry, I'm looking for a sign.
Okay, there we go. It's now left,
right now.
all left aligned. It still looks weird. I don't
Nice.
like it.
Gotta grab some dinner. Good luck, good luck. Like, is it called the Op in Gungeon?
No, I don't. Maybe
It is.
it is. Okay,
It
then we
is.
can call it the op.
Well, we don't know that. Because like.
I know.
Oh, what? Wait. What the?
Mhm.
Hold on. Is this a reference to CS:GO? This is, right?
What is?
So in Gungeon, I'm sorry, this is on fandom. I'm so sorry. They don't have an actual wiki still.
What? I thought they did. They not?
No, they don't. So this is the op. We know the op.
Uh,
Did you
yeah,
know that
there
it has a
literally is.
synergy
There's
that
enter the
changes-
gungeon.wiki.gg.
What? Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah.
Hold up. That's fire.
I was like,
Right.
there's no way I've been going to the fandom
So-
wiki this many times, and I wouldn't
So
notice.
this is the op. We know the op. This is like the CS:GO one, but it's
Wow,
like
my
you know,
pixel
the
art's so
actual
much
real
better
one as
than
well.
that.
That's
Sorry.
crazy. That's evil. I wouldn't say that. That's like why
I'm
shit
just
on other
kidding.
artists, man. But there's a skin
That was a
that
joke,
turns
it
it
was a
into this.
Oh, that's wait, I know what that one's called.
You got this.
What
I
is
have
it
it pulled up
called?
on my other screen right now. You better
Asimov,
get it right.
right?
Oh shit, dude, he got it. It is
I
the
got
op
it.
Asimov.
I'm actually the goat.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
What is that?
That's funny. Okay, so this is actually spawning at the wrong spot.
Unfortunately, I do not have that skin because I'm broke.
This is true. Which is why you gotta wish this Dante's 9 on Steam. Exclamation
So
mark.
that way I can
Game
buy
in
Counter-Strike
Raiders chat.
cases. This is
Not mine.
true.
Yeah.
Please fund my cases.
Don't do that. I mean, do that, but like, I don't know how to say. How do I? That's annoying. That's so annoying.
You can't make money without me buying these. This is over for you.
I'm gonna find a way to steal the game from you. I'm gonna ask a lawyer for help. I'm gonna be like, yo, dog, he's gonna use his money on gambling. How do I like stop him from getting any money from this game? How do I put this in an account that I control? Oh, I could use. I could just like.
Yes.
Yeah, I could speak to your parents. I'd be like, yo, guys,
No.
listen.
So evil.
What if I just like? Hit this and then like reverse it. 'Cause it's gonna be a reverse anyways. And then on ready, I would say git scan handler dot hit dot connect on hit.
Oh, I also need to go through the card ideas that were sent in on Discord, because there's a lot of good ones on there too that we could add. I really like the coin one. That one was very funny. I don't know if you remember that one. Let me find it.
Yeah, the one
The
that
one where
like
you flip a coin and it deals
It increases
double
your damage
damage
every
every
time you
single
get
time.
hailed.
Yeah.
hails.
get-
I just said hails.
Hails.
Hails and Teds,
Ted.
of course. Ted?
Ted.
Oh. Dude, I still can't believe that you're a performative Tedo fan. That's insane. Like, that's actually crazy.
No, it's only because it goes well with the cat ears. And my other one didn't, so. And I'm too lazy to find another profile picture. So.
performative furry Tedo goes fucking
No,
wild, I guess,
no.
JW. If that's the fucking, if that's the hill you want to die on, man.
No.
Okay, I need to make these parts
Slander.
like, continuously emit. Slander. Okay.
I'm gonna sue you and take all of the money from Dante 9.
Okay. Go on. Yep. You've already said that you will pay. You said that you're gonna spend your money on gambling. I think that I win or something.
No.
You also called Gungeon's art ugly, so like you're kind of like losing in the Court of Public Appeals as well. It's a powerful flashlight, potentially. It's actually, it's not as strong as I feel like it should be, to be honest. How strong is it again? It's like, it's okay. It's pretty, yeah. Like if I spawn a bunch of these dudes. Oh, some of them are in the wall. Oopsies. Do you think they should pierce by default? Thoughts?
Should what pierce by default? Sorry.
The laser.
The laser. No, I don't think so.
No? Okay.
I'm just thinking.
I also want to
dungeon.
turn down that aim assist just a little bit. Probably,
Yeah.
Because it's.
Why is that guy in the
it's very
wall?
snappy.
Did you spawn him in
'Cause I
there?
spawned him in the wall,
Okay,
dude.
I was wondering.
No, I didn't spawn the 25 flying guys in the starting room that normally has 0 enemies. Yeah, no, you're right, dude. Yeah, we're using our brain on this one. We're
Yeah,
a real
he's-
thinker.
Oh, my brain.
Yeah, he's a real thinker, guys.
Wait, I
don't know
have
if
an
you
idea.
noticed.
What if the coin, we combined it with the Ultra Kill coin gun thing? So you flip it, and if it hits the ground, then it either does heads or tails, and then you have to shoot it to trigger the damage.
What the fuck are you saying? Like, I understand, like, the ideas that you have separated are, like, great, but, like, the way that you're drawing lines between them feels weird.
Yeah,
If it
so
hits the ground, it does the flip, so you have to shoot it?
so you flip the coin, and if it hits the
Mhm.
ground, it's either heads or tails. And then if it's heads, it doubles the damage. If it's tails, it resets the damage back to the base.
Okay.
And then if you
Yes.
flip it and then shoot it, it deals whatever the current damage is. Could be a little complicated, but
Yeah, that sounds a little... So you flip it and then shoot it.
yeah, like the ultra kill thing.
No, I get the reference.
So if
don't
it hits
worry.
the ground, it has a 50% chance to double your damage, and then if you shoot it, it deals whatever the current damage is, based on the double.
And it doesn't continue flipping.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I don't know if that's a good idea, but
I
like
that.
that.
I don't
That's
like
an
it,
idea.
yeah, because it,
Mm-hmm.
like, I mean, there's like the one side of it's like, oh yeah, you could do the thing where you just like flip it, and you're like, I'm not gonna shoot it because I want it to go up in damage, so I'm gonna use my time to just like waste flips or whatever. But
Yeah, I guess that's kind of bad. Yeah.
yeah, then it could like feel like shit if you like spend a long time doing it, and then you just miss, and you're like, oh well, there goes my time. Just like,
Yeah.
it's up to them to do that, but still, like, I think
Yeah.
that encourages it. If we can avoid encouraging unfun gameplay styles. Excuse me.
Yeah.
I also want...
Or I was thinking we could even have it just like automatically shoot it, and have it be that how that deals the damage.
Not everything needs to be a reference to other games.
I know.
by the way.
I'm just trying to think of, because like if you're flipping a coin, how does that deal damage to an enemy? Is like what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
And I'm also thinking of how to make cards more interesting, because at this right now a lot of the basic cards are just like, oh it's a gun, oh it's a sword. Like there's nothing really like cool and interesting. I do think that is one of my favorite things about Ultra Kills, how like all the different weapons like interact with each other. Obviously it's a lot harder to do with like cards, because you don't get to like pick what cards players will have. But I was having lots of fun like combining the different weapons together. Like you can combine the coin from the coin revolver with the charge revolver, and then like charge up, shoot the coin, and it deals like ridiculous damage.
Mm-hmm.
It's very fun.
Oven, hot, eat the food
Yeah.
type shit.
Or like the chainsaw gun, you can launch out, and then if you parry it, it'll keep launching it out. And then you can switch to another gun while parrying the chainsaw and just have it out for as long as you can keep parrying it. Which is also very cool. But obviously, adding that to something like this, not even that specifically, but just a similar thing would be very difficult.
I feel like the camera should be shaking while I'm doing this. At least a little bit. Like while I'm just like shooting the fucking thing.
Yeah, we could do that. I added a little bit of camera shake to the op. I don't know if it needs more, but I think it's a decent amount. Is the op stuff like completely done? Whoa, okay.
Yeah, I think that's a correct amount,
I
right?
think that's good. Wait, does
Yeah,
that move your
that's
aim
healthy.
position based on the shake? Because that'd be really funny how it just bounces the aim around.
No, it doesn't do that. Why would it do that?
It definitely does.
No. See, like if I put like an enemy right here, and then like I go up here, it never like
It never
shoots to the ground
leaves.
at all.
Yeah, never.
Yeah, it never changes the position of the...
It's honestly kind of fun though.
No.
But is the op stuff done? Because if so, you can push it up. I want to try it out. Twin.
Oh, that looks weird.
That's it.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, something is weird there.
Yeah, that's real weird. The laser
Because
should be going
it's
to the
because
same
the
spot.
laser is the laser is snapping, but the particles aren't. It looks like
Almost, yeah, kinda.
almost. Okay,
Kinda.
that was close. Kind of, a little bit.
Kinda.
Kind of.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit twin.
So, yeah. Yeah. I might be like not regular. I won't lie to you guys.
Yeah, maybe. I am
Yeah.
going to need
Okay, yeah, let me
to
push
wrap
this
up somewhat soon because I need to change the strings on my guitar before I go to bed.
Okay. Forgot to mention his guitar again, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
I
Everyone needs to know
literally
that
didn't mention that at all ever on stream, I don't think.
Yeah, he has to mention his guitar. He also, by the way, if you didn't know, he really likes
I like matcha. I love matcha.
He likes matcha a lot.
Yeah. I literally have only had matcha like twice in my entire life.
That's crazy. I thought that you had that shit like every fucking day with how much you were talking about it for like a month.
I literally did not talk about it that much whatsoever. I did not. Okay.
Okay, man.
Like, bro keeps saying I'm performative, but I'm literally not. I'm not.
What kind of fuck, do you listen to any artists that happen to start with like an L at all? Have like a weird pronunciation that you make it known that you know how to pronounce correctly and that no one else does?
Let me look at my Spotify. Hold up.
You know who I'm talking about. Don't even like pretend like you don't. Freaking Lofty. Her name is 11. Also, the op changes are pushed up by the Hui.
Yay!
What were you working on that you wanted me to do?
Let me look at the list.
The list. Yeah, show me the list.
There's lots of things in here.
Where's the list? What's on there?
I mean, I mentioned a couple things that are just random things that I have in the list. I can push this up as well, so you have it.
Yeah, if you don't mind doing that. I just pushed up the op stuff, so. Okay, let me pull these changes. Give me these changes, please.
That works.
Notes and AK. Yay. Okay. So what's in the notes? Show me. the notes. Where is it?
It's
Is it
JW
December
December 16th, 6, yeah.
Oh, I didn't check this. Let me do this. What the fuck? Who are you? Who are you? Whatever. Oh, op is not in my list of things. Is that a failed float? I see.
Oh, it's because I moved some file that was in the wrong place, and that might have broken something.
I see.
Let's see, do I have it? Yeah, I don't. Oh, no, I have it. You don't have it. Why don't
Yeah, I think
you
it's just
have
an issue on my local. It's fine. Don't worry
Yeah.
about it. I'm sure it'll be fixed soon.
Oh, I lagged a lot when I did that first time. Also, the opposite.
Yeah, it's
so
because I had to
loud.
recompile the tracer.
Yeah. Turned down my volume a bit, so I won't deafen anybody, but. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
There we go. Laser pierces, by the way, now.
So tough.
I actually don't know what this is going to do to the boss. I won't even lie to you. I have no fucking clue what this is going to do to the boss. I think it's going to hit him once. Yeah.
I mean,
Oh, I'm not even using the fucking pierce one. I'm stupid. Yeah.
Does it only hit him once?
Yeah.
I think that's fine.
Ah!
So sometimes it was. Oh, it's doing some weird stuff.
Which part? The particles or whatever?
Yeah, well, I mean, it looked like sometimes it was piercing, like, very infrequently.
Yeah, so it would pierce through, but it doesn't deal extra damage.
I see.
Tell your new member on your channel. How am I doing? I'm doing good. How are you doing? We are just doing a little bit of work on this game that we've been working on for a gajillion and a half years. Ooh, those guys were annoying. Okay. Let me figure out why this is pissed. Don't save that shit. I don't... Get it out of here. Don't save. I don't know what you're asking me to save. I'm gonna close it. Okay, how about that? Let's, like, not even, like, play with the idea that I can figure out what Joe's upset about.
Well, that feels really nice.
Oh,
this is not pierced by default?
It is not currently, yeah.
Okay. That's fine.
I forgot to add that.
Oh, we should, but that's fine.
By the way, your voice is really low. You barely hear me. Me? Really? What the fuck? It should be, like, decently, like, at least audible. Let's see. Yeah, let me add Pierce by default really quickly. Why the fuck are you zooming back in? Get out of here.
Lagging so bad.
There's no mention of Pierce in here, right? How do I want to... How do we want to do that, actually? I could probably just have this have, like, a default Pierce variable or something. That feels a little weird to do, but whatever.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
Default Pierce 1, which is... I guess it'd be 0. Would it be 0 or would it be 1?
I don't know.
I'll say 0. Whatever. Or, actually, I should be asking what me is. Let's say that you wanted something to hit, like, 2 enemies. What would you set the value to?
2?
But, okay. So whenever
Maybe.
you see default Pierce, you would set it to 2?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. How many enemies do you want it to pierce by default?
Yeah, like 1,000.
Oh, you want the op to
Yeah, just like
insta-pierce?
infinite. Yeah, everything.
Okay.
I want it to be like really good. I mean, maybe we can adjust it later if it's too OP, but...
failed loading relic. Plasma lightning. Does this one have a fucking scene initializer? You fucking bastard. I hate this shit so much, actually.
What to do?
I might get to the point, like, if this keeps happening, I might be like, we aren't allowed to do this anymore.
You're not allowed to do what?
The static initializer stuff, or like having some way of like making it not do this stupid shit that shows up. Because a few times I've just opened Godot and it would just crash over and over until I opened it up in my console to see which resource it was hanging on, and like, I don't think there's been a single time actually that it hasn't been related to one of these static initializers. They're like really cool in theory, but like they're not loaded lazily, which means that they have to be parsed at the start, which I think Godot really doesn't like, because it's the script references the scene and it needs to parse the scene, so it loads the scene and it sees that this has the script on it, so it has to parse the script, which parses the scene, which so on. And I think Godot just gets really upset sometimes with that. She's like, not... It's a really cool concept, but like, it really doesn't like working. Default Pierce. Are we multiplying this? I guess it would be a multiplication, wouldn't it? If I reloaded this.
I suck at this game.
This guy sucks at this game. This guy's really bad at Dante's 9.
TS
SMH
game
my head.
PMO.
Alright, buddy. There we go. Op Pierce is by
fire.
default. Oops. I might push to you code.
What's the DPS of the up?
Oh, it's a spam clicker kind of gun. Let me.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I wonder if I could. About 40. That works. That's fucking crazy.
Wait, what did you do?
Hold on. Wait, where's the fucking
Activation type? Is that it?
Oh, it's down here. Yeah.
I still don't know why is the names are so bad. Why is it not just like automatic and like not automatic? It's so funny that this works.
All right, so that's about 43. And if I had the timescale set to regular, does that also
6, 7.
It looks like it's off by a little bit.
Yeah. I think
I think
it
it's
should
just
be
'cause, like, the
around
engine
50.
can't
Now that I
actually-
think about it. Let me think. Because it deals 50 damage. And it has a delay of 1 second, I think. Yeah. So yeah, that would be 50 damage per second. That took way too much brain power.
Yeah, it looks like it does like converge towards 50.
Yeah.
That's cool. The
Oh,
timescale
yes.
actually like kind of helps with testing.
One other thing that's not a big deal that I do want to change though is when it does like the whatever second sound for the the casing ejects immediately when you shoot it. It should like be slightly delayed, which that's probably something I can figure out how to do, but
Yeah, like the fucking like
Yeah.
Like whenever you lever action it. Is an
Yeah.
op normally lever action always?
It's not lever.
Like in real
but
life?
Bolt. It's bolt
Huh?
action.
Or not? Yeah,
Bolt,
sorry,
but
bolt.
Yes, it is. Yeah, of course it is.
In real life?
Yeah, I think. I don't know. I don't own one.
The way you said that makes me a little wary, but yeah.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I don't own one. Yeah, okay, dude. It is bolt action, yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder why guns like that are bolt action, actually. I'd be interested to hear why a big gun like that wouldn't just be like
Probably more
semi-auto
reliable.
fed.
I don't know.
It probably is, yeah. It's probably like more mechanical. You can probably clear
Yeah.
jams, but you don't. Yeah, I don't know. I guess you
also
don't
with
need it to
the
be
amount
super
of
fast.
like power that you have behind that, you probably don't want to have lots of moving parts. I don't know how that works. So.
It's also, you know what? It's also probably like, if we think in terms of like video games, you're usually like, boom, and then like cock it back and shoot again, just like over and over. But like in real life, it's probably not like that.
Yeah.
If someone's a sniper, they're probably like spending a lot more time lining up a shot. So they don't need it
you
to
don't
be
need to
semi-auto,
shoot really
like
fast. Yeah.
yeah, like it probably is just better to allocate that kind of budget towards making the gun more stable or whatever. You know, put more of the thing in like the stock or whatever, the fucking frame. I don't know shit about guns though. I know some shit about guns. I've shot a few guns at a gun range when I was young. That's about it though.
Yeah.
Why is this? It looks dark in the editor. I don't know. But yeah.
What do you mean? Oh, because the player, maybe because the player has a giant light on them.
What? Is that true? That's
Yes.
so weird. Why does the player have a light on them?
I don't know.
Whatever.
But yes, that's why
Okay.
every equipment looks dark in the editor.
Yeah. Was there any? What was I just working on, man? I pulled your changes for some reason, and I don't know why.
To look at the notes, I don't know.
Oh yeah, to look at the notes.
This guy cannot remember a thing.
Yeah, no, can you tell my Adderall is worn off?
Yes, I can, actually.
Taking damage instantly refills mana. Interesting. I would hate that. I hope that we have some way of shifting out relics at some point so that we can an NPC that is like, I'll offer you a exchange. I won't tell you what you get, but you can give me a relic and I'll give you something in return.
Like you pick a relic to give him?
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know if I like that.
Because I'm like, if I end up getting taking damage instantly refills mana, I'm like, hooray, I have a relic that I hate. Random drops on taking damage. That one too, I'd probably just like toss to the NPC. I might call it for today, to be honest. I'm like starting to... I'm spinning out right now.
Me too.
Okay. Then we will be back on Tuesday. Perhaps, potentially. Is there anything on Tuesday? Is there like a holiday? I don't know why I'm thinking there's a holiday. Oh shit, I forgot. I'm off on Wednesday because of New Year's.
Are you?
Or is it...
I don't know.
Am I off on... I'm off on Thursday.
Wednesday
Sorry.
or Thursday? Yeah.
We get off on New Year's because a lot of people drink New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
So a lot of corporations, excuse me, have New Year's Eve off. But yeah, anyways, we will be back on Tuesday. Thank you guys for hanging out. Check out the game on Steam if you want. We are really close to 1,000 wish lists. There may be a video on my channel. Who fucking knows though? But I will catch you guys later.
Good night.